Alrighty, what's goody? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's get this thing going. Hey, we're bringing the energy today, gang. I want to see W's in the chat. If you got the energy, if you're ready to go, if you're ready to run, if you're ready to win, let's get some W's in the chat here. Let's go. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Let's bring the energy this morning. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. What up, Henry? Henry's in the house. Shiro's in the building. Bradley's here. What up, Bradley? Oh, Ewan's in the building. Green's in the house. Scott's in the house. Red FX is in the building. Z Gamer's in the house today. Hey, yo. All right. Let's get it. Who else we got here? Let's take a look. Oh, we got Leo's in the building. Christian's here. Pablo's here. Ghost of Me's in the building. Jeanette's in the building. DL's here. All right. We got Luca in the house. Who else we got? Crypto Madden. I see Crypto Madden. Pricklies. C4. Trade Like Jose. Luke. Christian. I think we said Christian. Hey, Kingston's in the building. Wags Music. What up, Wags? There's Red FX. There's the Moz. Disturbed is in the building. There he is. Deck Tubes in the house. Xavier's here. What up, Xavier? Hey, Santiago. What's up, brother? All right. Adam Bella is in the house. OG. Tommy. What's good, Tommy? What's up, James Moore? That guy TK's in the building. All right. What up, Annie? Annie's here. Xander's here. Joe Stewart's in the building. Now we got a party. Got a trade's in the house. Okay. All right. Well, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. Happy Friday. We got a beautiful day ahead of us here. We got NFP coming up as well. It's going to be a very, very fun and entertaining day here today. Last day of the week. We're going to end the week here. We've had a little bit of a couple bank holidays here, a couple crazy news days here, and now we have arrived at NFP. So should be a pretty good one here, ladies and gents. Let me just send the Zoom link out, get the Discord all situated, and we're gonna get going. We are going to get going. Who traded London? How'd everybody do in London session? How'd all the London peeps do? Let's take a look. Oh, there it is. Got your 5 a.m. Hey, y'all gotta go get your 5 a.m. clubs. Gotta go get your 5 a.m. club. It's a must. You want to go to the next level, man? You gotta get that reading up. Gotta get that reading up. All right, we got that. Let's share the screen here so everybody can see on Zoom as well. Boom. Let's move this over. All right, let's get going. Hey, Wiljan in the building. Rafi's in the building. DeckTube. Danny Lugo's here. Danny Lugo's here. What up, MB? MB's here. Happy birthday, Maverick. Yeah, today's Maverick's birthday. The big one. The big one on 7/7. Had sales on GJ. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Good morning, Austin. There he is. What up, Austin? Hey, go check out Austin's words of wisdom here today. Just absolutely amazing. What up, Juan? Good morning, brother. Excited to get you on the podcast. Hey, I look forward to it, Juan. I look forward to it, bro. Good morning. Hope everything's looking good down there in Naples today. What up, Epic? Epic in the building. Hey, happy birthday, Maverick, yo. Yeah, Mavy Boy's birthday today. Hey, good morning, Kate. Good morning, Forex Frank. All right, let's see. We got some time here today, chat. Don't rush it. Let me see here. Hey, Z Gamer making it happen in London. Nice. Scotty boy. Gold's trolling. Hey, we like to do a little trolling here, right, gang? KKKK's in the building. What up, KKKK? Okay, KKK. What's up, Happy Ash and Trader 101? Good to have you here. Shiro's dabbing in the building as always. We love to see the dabs. Speaking of Shiro, amazing. Hey, you guys are killing it. Hey, gang. If you're not in our free Discord, join our free Discord here. It's an amazing community. You got people in. Oh my God, look at all the help here, right? Look at all. If you guys are trading the London session, Asian session, New York session. Man, you guys got plenty of help, man. Loving this community, just incredible stuff. Yeah, amazing. Anything in Asian session? I was looking at some sells there on Asian, and unfortunately I was in the car, and yeah. Let's see. I killed the chat yesterday. Yeah, gang, if you're not on our free Discord, join our free Discord. Let me just send that Zoom link. Did I do that? Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, let me lower the music here and fix one thing. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's do it, gang. So it's Friday, it's July 7th, it's just another day, right? It's another day, another opportunity for us to exercise our discipline, get stronger in our discipline, exercise that muscle here today. Nothing changes, although we do have NFP in front of us, gang. It's just another day, right? Another day for me to show up to the charts and do what we do best, and that's be patient, be disciplined, wait for our setups, sit in that box until we get our pitch. Right, and once we get our pitch, we'll swing that bat. If we don't get a pitch, we'll gladly take our walk and go back to the dugout and wait for our next approach. So that's how I treat the markets. I played a lot of baseball growing up, and that's the way I look at it. We'll get in that batter's box, we'll get our pitches. If nothing comes to us, we go back to the dugout, or we take our base and come back again and do it all over again. So let's take a look at the news here today. So it looks like we have NFP, a lot of red folders, unemployment rate here as well at 830, and then once we get past that, gang, we're pretty good. We are pretty good. We can really scope the market, right? Stalk the market, wait for our entries after news here today, and make our move in, right? So let's take a look at the charts. Let's get a breakdown going. How many likes do we got? We got 551 people, but only 160 likes. I don't even think we could do the breakdown until we get like 300 likes at this point. Yeah, I don't know. Let me fix something here. Live. Okay. Yeah, let's get the likes up. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be amazing. If you haven't subbed to the channel too, subscribe to the channel. We're here every day. We're here every single day, Monday through Friday, getting busy. Getting busy. Yeah, man, I'm raising the bar. 300 likes, man. We got to get to 300. This is crazy. Chat quaking right now. If Sam was here, he'd be saying chat quaking. All right, well, we're almost there. Can you lower the music? Yeah, we're going to lower the music here. You know what? I'm going to give the stream a like as well, because I haven't liked the stream either. And, sometimes you gotta be the first one to like your stuff, gang. You gotta be the first one to like what you're doing. If you're out here today and you're struggling and you're trading, and people are doubting you, and people are saying, what are you doing this for? Go get a real job, or get that stuff out of your mind, man. You gotta like your own projects first, man. You gotta be the one to say no. I'm called to do something like this. This is an opportunity for me to make a dream a reality, right? And you gotta go out there and you gotta get it, man. You gotta get so bulletproof, so mentally tough, that nothing can stop you. No loss, no blown account, no naysayer, no stinking thinker, nothing. You just trucking forward, man, marching forward. You know, me and my wife were having a conversation last night. We were just like, yo, the last 5-6 years, we just been trucking, man. Like, I just been pushing, man, straight through the crowd, just with my wife with me, with my family with me, just moving, man, moving towards our dreams, moving towards our goals, and y'all can do the same exact thing in your life. So tighten up. That's right, man. You gotta like your own stuff. You gotta approve of your own mission. Yes, sir. Are we at 300 yet? Let me see. 300, 300. Nope, no 300 yet. Yay. That's all you can do. Yup, you gotta just push, man. You gotta push. You gotta believe in what God put in your heart. If God put it in your heart, you can make it happen in your life, man. I always said if you could see it in the mind, you could bring it into your reality. You just gotta work. You just gotta work, man. You gotta make improvements. You gotta make adjustments. It's tough sometimes, you know. Your back's against the wall, pressure's on, but at the end of the day, gang, pressure makes diamonds. Pressure makes diamonds. So, all right, cool. Let's go. Enough. All right, enough of that. So let's do the breakdown here on gold. Let's take a look at where we're at, right? So let's go back to the monthly time frame here for a little bit, just to backtrack, and let's take a look at what is actually going on. Let me lower this music just a little bit more. All right, and let's see what's going on here, right? So one thing we know about gold, right? We have come into this rejection zone here, right? This zone right here has been a massive rejection zone since I think this was 2020, right? Am I mistaken? Yeah, so 2020, so August 2020, gold approached this 2080 area and rejected. And then what happened was it created a resistance and drove all the way down here. So then we see this whole zone now. Each and every time that price came into this range, we rejected here. We had massive rejections here as well as we tried to approach that level again, and then we had a couple more really massive rejections here as well, right? And every time that these rejections happen, what do we notice here? Well, we notice that price created resistance and then pushed down, right? Price created a resistance here and then pushed down. So now if we're looking at data to the left, which is the information that we have as traders, right, to develop our edge and see how our edge can work. Well, if we're creating a resistance here, and every time we create a resistance we push down, well, what do you expect to happen now, right? Price should move down, you know. And now that we have officially closed bearish and created that resistance, it's looking really good to start coming down, right? And then one thing we notice here is that there's a level right here, right? This level right here, we have officially closed below. This candle has closed below that level to the left hand side, indicating that now price should be good to drive down into this, what is it here, this 1820 level, right? So back down to this 1820 support here, and that's the range that we're finding ourselves in, right? This is the support, that is the resistance, and this is the range that we're currently trading in. So we can expect gold, if we're breaking back into this range, we can now expect the monthly candles to drive down and look like this, right? Push down, and then possibly even close below, over the course of the next month or two. So we should see a drive, right? We should start to see a drive. We have clean traffic to the left hand side, and it should not be an issue. I think once we re-break these lows, we're good to come downtown. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame just to see where exactly we're at and what everything's looking like on that weekly time frame. But just keep in mind, right, we're bearish on gold, a lot of rejections in this area. Every single time we created supports, we pushed down, right? Created resistances, moved down, created resistance. We should be moving down here today, or for the rest of the month, right? So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Let's get some more information on what exactly is going on here. So one thing about the weekly time frame is we noticed, well, here's the rejection that we were talking about, right? So looks like you had somewhat of a fake out on gold and then we started pushing back down. But the thing was, at that point, we were pretty much in this range here, right? You had these ranges right here, and that was basically the range that we were kind of consolidating in just a little bit there on gold, right? Trying to figure out what direction do we want to keep going up, do we want to go down, right? Gold wasn't quite sure exactly which way it wanted to go. So as we left this yellow range here, right, as we started pushing down, well, if we look left, right, yes, there's a clean candle here, but if we look left just a little bit further, we notice that there's a level of resistance right here as well, right? This level of resistance, and this becomes, in a way, let's call it the blue range, right? This is the blue range, and in the blue range we had some struggle, we had some problems going on. We came down, we closed very strong bearish, but the next candle ended up breaking the lows and then coming all the way back up here, but still rejecting and closing doji, right? But it did create a support, and once that support was created, this next candle came up and, you know, did not break the highs, came up to tap back into this support level, right? Trying to get back into this yellow range here, right? This yellow range, but just could not make it happen, right? It rejected the yellow range, rejected the support to the left hand side, and closed bullish, but it closed below the range, right? And then the next candle, if we see, opened up and created a resistance. Hold on one sec here, guys. Created that resistance, right? So now we're stuck, right? So now we're in this blue range, because if we look left, where can we go, right? Well, we pushed down, we tapped into this level here, but if we notice with this candle, price rejected and pushed all the way back up. Although it pushed all the way back up though, gang, we did create that resistance, right? We created that resistance right here, and then the next candle was the driver, and that next candle officially closed below this range here. So if that candle's closing below this range, then there is a high probability that we continue down now, you know, somewhere into like these next levels here, right? We have to continue to look for the next set of ranges, and at this point, I would say, you know, right around this 1880 zone. So that's our next range. So we're pretty cool. We're pretty clean traffic here. The weekly just has to kind of make a decision here. It looks like we've been closing doji, so it's struggling right now. So I think NFP today will be able to help us out here in terms of monthly direction. Is that going to be the monthly top wick, or does the monthly want to make a steeper top wick, right? Because as long as this high respects the high of the previous monthly candle, at any point this candle could still continue down. It's still respecting market structure, right? So we don't know if I think NFP will give us a really good decision today here, especially with this weekly candle. So if we can close like strong bearish today, right? Strong bearish, breaking these lows here today. I think that'll be really dope and really cool as we move in and move into next week. So let's take a look at the daily though, because if we're gonna find positions here today, we're gonna need to see how the daily candle looks, how the previous daily candle closed, and that's how we're gonna go about taking positions here today. So one thing we can say is that we have a very strong support right here. Very strong support, very strong resistance right here, and this is currently the range that we're in right now on the daily time frame. This is the range, right? So we want to see if we could break out, either break these highs and close above, which price attempted to do quite a few times here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times price has tried to close above this level and has failed to do it. So if we do close above that level today, I think next week you will see, you know, a push back into these ranges, that 1940 range, basically the range that the weekly time frame has left, right? I think it was the yellow range, right? Not the blue range, but the yellow range. So trying to tap back into that, but it can't. I don't think it's going to be able to do it, right? Because we're extremely bearish on the monthly, and then we're also very bearish here on the weekly. Although we did break the highs, that was during a news event, right? I think that was on Wednesday. I believe that was on Wednesday. We came up, broke the highs, and then just dropped. So how are we going to find positions today? Let's take a look at the 4 hour, right? Well, we know, let's go back to the daily, right? We know the daily did close bearish. We also do have a support right here. Now, just because we're at this support doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to, you know, reject it, right? We just have to be aware that there is a support there, right? So this candle could easily continue down. It could also reject. So I think we'll be able to find all that detail on the lower time frames here. But if we're bearish on the day, we could expect this daily candle, after creating a top wick, to potentially now start to push down, break the lows, and then tap into that zone down there. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. I know we've been pushing up quite a bit here, making this daily top wick, and it looks like we are approaching this resistance level right here. So as we approach this resistance, we have to watch and see exactly what price wants to do. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame as well. 1 hour is just kind of slowly moving up here. Nothing crazy, and I see this happen during NFP quite a bit. Nothing crazy, just little bullish candles moving up. I believe the clean traffic is going to be above this range here. We've already created a range too, right? I think if you were trading London, you had an opportunity right here, right? Yeah, this bullish candle closed, and you had that opportunity. What time was that? I don't know. Was that midnight? 1? I don't even know. Was that? I think that might have been pre-London. But it looks like right here you had somewhat of fake outs, right? You had these fake out, and this is why we always wait for those range 2s. Shout out to Dom for putting us on and teaching us that concept, right? And being able to learn, you know, how to avoid these fake outs together. So, you know, it looks like the fake outs were there. That's why we always wait for the range 2. And if you were waiting for that, you would have avoided those fake outs, and then you most likely would have been able to capitalize on this buy position right here. So a very nice position. I would have closed partials probably right around that area, right around where price kind of wicked up to. If you notice, there's some traffic right here. Yeah, and that's probably where I would have took partials, and looks like the rest would have got stopped out of break even. Yeah, so yeah, nice position there. Let's keep an eye on this 4 hour. If we're looking for positions here, well, we got, you know, again, the 1 hour is approaching this level here. So let's see if we can get a closure above there. We did reject it on the last 1 hour candle. Let's see if we can actually get a close above. I'm in no rush here, gang. I got no problem waiting for NFP today and then looking for positions after. I believe that that's where the volume is going to come from. Right now, it's just a bunch of, I mean, do you guys really want to be a part of this right here? Right? It's just green, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, right? We want to see some clear direction here today. And I believe that's going to happen after the news. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to have my buys above 1917, 355 or 356 here today. Buys above there. And then sells, I see we have this nice support right here. So as of right now, I look to take sells below there, as price seems to be able to do pretty well over here. Let's take a look even further left. See about the closures here. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye on this support here, and we'll just let price kind of do its thing right now. We'll most likely wait till news. If there is a obvious position here before that, then obviously we'll take it. But yeah, we'll sit tight, be patient, be disciplined here, and that'll lead to a great day. So sells below 1913 430 here today. Sells below there, and then clean buys are above this 1917 356 level. So that's the day. That's the day on gold as of right now. Again, we do have very high impact news coming in here today, so let's be patient. Let's sit tight. Let's allow price to pick a direction, and then we'll jump all over it. All right. Sound good? So we're gonna stay out of the red zone here for now. No red zone for right now here today. Anything above this what is it, 1917? We got clean traffic to the left hand side to take advantage of, and then anything below, I mean, there's a lot of potential for sells below these levels here too today. So what I would love to see is NFP come out, open up, and pick a direction. And if that direction is bearish, I want to see something like this, right? If we can get something like this, and then a closure below these levels down here, then that's going to be perfect, right? Closure below down there, that'll set us up. That'll push through all that traffic, and we'll look to take our sells below 1906 here. Yeah, I would love to see something like this, and we might see that here today. We very well might see that here today. So cool. So that's the day here, gang. Let's sit tight. Let's be patient. Let's have a good time. Let's have some fun here today, and just enjoy each other's company. Cool. Let's get rid of this. All right. We'll take a look at pound yen here, and then in a little while we'll take a look at gold and US30. All right, cool. So let's take a look at pound yen here and see what's going on. Oh, we finally had a push. Oh wow, would you look at that, gang? We got some bearish candles here on pound yen. Oh my god, I think pound yen hears us talking about it again. All right, so let's take a look at the. I mean, obviously the monthly and the weekly have just been pushing, right? They've just been straight juicing up here. We already know that. But one good sign is we finally did get a candle to close bearish, right? Finally got this candle to close bearish yesterday, and let's see if we have the actual force now to continue down. You know, we don't know with pound yen. Pound yen may just continue to rally. I mean, this thing has been rallying, man, for months right now. It's been very hard to pick positions off of these time frames because it's just been a straight push up, right? I don't think we haven't traded pound yen since let me pull it up here. We haven't traded pound yen since I think it was June, right? June 2nd. We have not traded pound yen since June 2nd. So it's been just a massive push up. There hasn't really, what did we take here? Oh, obviously we took a buy, right? So yeah, we haven't really touched GJ. It's been all gold here. It's been all gold, gang. I think we're just about ready to add US30, man. It's been about 14 months of really sample sizing that pair. You know, testing it out, watching it during the New York session every day. I've learned a few things. I've learned that our system and our strategy can work for it. I also learned when the best time to trade it is, when the volume is coming in, and you know, really how to go about it. So, you know, possibly next week, if not next week, most likely the week after, we are going to finally start to trade US30 here, and yeah, we'll see if we could take advantage of it, because as of right now, GJ is kind of, you know, it's gone, right? We haven't traded it in well over a month. So I don't see the point of having two pairs if we're only trading one, right? If that's the case, we might as well just trade gold. But I do like US30. It has been 14 months of just eyeing it, watching it, studying it, and yeah, I think it may be just about time. So possibly next week or the week after that. Cool. US30, up, clean ranges. Yeah. Cool. So let's take a look here. So we got the weekly, we got the daily, it closed bearish. We do have a very strong support here. I think today's candle will give us a lot more direction, right? In terms of where the daily wants to go. If we can get a closure below this support today, looking, you know, something like this, let's say. Right, something like this, get a nice close below, then I think the next daily candle could come down pretty nicely, and we can tap into these, you know, these levels of support down here, and then, you know, hopefully we can get a nice retracement on the monthly time frame and take advantage of all this clean traffic. You know, now GJ is starting to show some signs that we have some ranges and we could possibly trade it, right? So let's see how the daily candle closes here. That's going to give us much better direction moving into next week. But let's take a look at the 4 hour, right? 4 hour did close bearish. It closed with no bottom wick. So what do we know about candles that close with no bottom wick? Well, there's a chance that this next candle won't have much range for price to drive in, right? So that's why you see the push up here. That's why we never ever enter candles that close with no bottom or no top wicks, right? So let's go up Looks like on the 1 hour we're pushing up here. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes pushing up as well. We did close above that level there. So that's why you're starting to see that push up. Probably coming somewhere in these ranges, looking to, you know, come up and maybe, just maybe, make a retracement and start to continue down now, right? We are pretty bearish. This daily candle may want to close below. So that's what I would be anticipating, that we've pushed down. We've cleared out the range, right? We're coming back during pre-New York, and then if we can get somewhat of a resistance here forming, then I think we can possibly start to take sells back down. But we'll have to wait for some ranges and some candle closures to see what we want to do there. So right now, let's just wait. Let's sit tight on pound yen. Let's keep an eye on this 182.995 level. That may be where we get our resistance at. So we'll keep an eye on that. If you want to take your buys here, go ahead, take your buys. I'm probably not going to take any buys right now. I want to see, I want to anticipate this daily candle possibly pushing down here today. You know, pushing down, closing below, giving GJ a lot of clear direction moving into to Monday next week. Sounds good? Sound Gucci? So let's see if we can get somewhat of a, basically this is what we're looking for, you know, somewhat of a retracement and then a push back down. So we'll see if we can get it. Cool. What up, Johnny boy? John's in the house.
Hey, good morning, brother. Good morning, chat.
What's good with it?
Chat, how we doing?
What's good with it?
Poppin'.
How you feeling this morning?
Feeling great. Feeling grateful that I woke up today and I get to live another day.
Sir, another day, baby.
How you feeling?
Dude, I'm feeling great, man. Honestly, I was in my gratitude journal this morning. I told a lot of people to go check out Deuteronomy 28. I checked it out, man. Wow, the first 18 verses, just beautiful. But the next few, man, they're hard to read. They're hard to read, gang. So tighten up. Tighten up. That's all I got to say. Hey, what up? That guy TK's in the building.
Hey, chat. What's good? That guy TK, what up? George, good morning. C-Gamer.
TK, bro, it was an honor and a privilege to get on that one-on-one with you yesterday, man. Appreciate all your help, all your dedication to the Time to Eat community as well. Never asking for anything in return. Always just, you know, taking it upon himself and, you know, seeing how we can help us make improvements and all that good stuff. So, man, W for that guy TK, man. We appreciate you, bro. We really do.
W for that guy TK. Bradley, good morning. Leo, good morning. Aram, good morning. Kaban, good morning. Crypto Madden, what's good?
Crypto Madden.
Oh, Sami was good. Scott, what up, Scott? How you doing?
Scotty
Joey
boy.
Stu, Red FX. Yes, sir.
US30, yeah. John's 7 days in as a beginner trader, watched 3 full live streams, learned so effing much. Thanks, Nick, in the chat. Hey, AB Mike. We are glad that you are learning. We're glad that you're growing. It's good. It's man, I wish I had a live stream like this. I wish I had, you know, when I first started trading, there was no one really going live outside of Raja, and I didn't know about him yet. But I tell you, man, live streams absolutely changed my life. Watching Raja's live stream, watching Don's live stream, they shortened the process for me, man. You know, like they shortened up the learning curve. Like if we're looking for a shortcut, that's where it is. It's, hey, find someone who's really good at trading, jump on their live stream and learn everything you can. I mean, what's the point of taking a course when you can actually jump on someone and trade with them live, right? Get their live thoughts, their live actions, you know, hear them firsthand. So continue to plug into the live streams, and yeah, you're gonna really shorten your learning curve. If you're wise and you're disciplined, you will shorten your learning curve big time in your trading journey.
Heck yeah, man. And that's what happens when you get focused, right? And you set out a plan. Like if you're a new beginner, you set out a plan that, you know, I'm not gonna do anything for a week or for a month or two. I'm just gonna sit down at this live stream and just watch and get familiar with words, get familiar with what he's saying in certain situations, right?
Yeah.
And then start to practice that all for yourself and use that knowledge that you gained to your advantage, you know, and just continue to be consistent and be locked in and you're gonna learn. Like
Yep.
a lot of people in the chat are.
Yes, sir. It's an environment for growth, right? You put yourself in an environment for growth. And that's what you want, man. Forget about everything else, man. You got to get things done in life, right? You got things, you got bills, you got goals, you got accomplishments. You only got one life here. So let's get it done, right? Shout out to all of you guys. There's almost 1,000 people here plugging in with a dream, with a goal, with a passion, with an excitement for trading. And I'm telling you, it's here. It's your moment. You got to get disciplined. You got to get professional and take it to the next level, man. Take advantage of these live streams. Don't take them for granted. Show up every day. Be on time. Study them, bro. I studied the living daylights out of Don's stream every morning. Every single morning I did my analysis before he popped up. And then every single day I would get closer and closer and closer to his mentality, his mindset, and learn everything I could. I wasn't sitting back, on my phone, doing this, doing that. I wasn't playing video games, dude. I was so locked in. And that's why you see me here today. Because I was locked in, because I didn't take it for granted, right? Because I treated it seriously, bro. Like, I'm telling you guys, tighten up, lock in. You shouldn't, don't hang around in the learning phase longer than you need to, right? Get the job done. Get the information that you need and go apply it to your life. Forget about the Lambos, forget about the mansions. All that stuff is great. They will come. But let's focus on how can $1,500 change your life this month, right? How can $3,000 extra on top of what you do full time start to change your life month in and month out? Let's start thinking about those things, because those are the things that are going to drive us. Those are the things that are going to get us to be disciplined, to convince us to be a professional. It's not those things that they're so far out, right? You look at some of these big dogs in the industry, man, you got to understand, they've been doing this for a decade, some of them, and they also make multi-millions of dollars outside of trading. I need you guys to focus on how can you change your life next month, right? How can the money you make this month change things for you next month, right? Can you do something better for your kids, right? Can you pay off the principal of your mortgage, maybe an extra payment, right? Can you pay your rent? What can you do with it? What can you do with it, gang? Lock in on these things. These are the things that are going to drive you, right? Can you replace your wife's income? So maybe she could stay at home with the kids, or if you guys want to have kids, have a stay-at-home mom, have someone who raise your kids, right? What can you do with it? What can you do with it? Focus on how it matters in your life before you start thinking of all the glitz and the glamour and all that crazy stuff, gang. All that stuff's gonna come, but that's not gonna motivate you today to be disciplined, man. To be like, I'm talking about for real, not just I'm disciplined for one day. I'm talking about consistently disciplined day in and day out, treating this as a professional, because the professionals get paid here, man. That's just what it is. Newbie, degenerate, gambling traders, they always lose in the long haul. They always lose. They always lose. That guy TK. Oh dang, you're too kind. Hey, thanks for streaming. Thanks TK, appreciate you, man. Norman, what up, Norman? Second time here. Heard about the 2 free month promotion. Yeah, so all the promotions are still active, gang. If you guys wanna jump in, there's if you buy a year's worth of signals, you get lifetime right now. Don't even know why I'm doing that. I think today will probably be the last day for that. But and then if you buy any package of signals, then you get 2 months free. Oh, he's that guy. He's not that guy. All right, let's see what we got here. Why don't you answer me? Oh, what are you saying here, pal? What are you saying? What are you saying? What you got for me? What you got? Yeah, you can get all the everything is in the bio, right? So if you or the description. So if you just come down on the live stream now, just all the links are here. Yeah, everything is there. All the promos are there and all that good stuff. Hey, 420 likes on this Friday.
Hey.
I ain't got a job. I ain't got nothing to do.
Funny.
I seen that movie when I was about 7. Good golly. Good golly. I got a month because I'm still broke. Hey, you ain't gonna be broke for long though.
Hey, switch up that self-talk. You ain't broke. Don't tell
Yes.
yourself you're broke.
Yeah, you ain't broke. Yesterday, my daughter just asked me for money to go buy a ferret. You're like, no, I must fund my trading account.
Buy a challenge or buy your daughter a ferret. Ferret.
Like, honey, yeah.
That's a tough question. Chat, let's get it. Another day to strengthen and build our discipline and patient muscles, right? Because without that, our winning method is pointless.
Yep.
So let's continue to strengthen that and build that. With our strategy, we will be winning. We will be winning the day all the time with that plan.
Yes,
so
sir.
Let's continue to get an edge on that.
Remember, you don't have to be Mr. Fancy Pants. You don't have to be the greatest trader of all time. All you have to do is be disciplined to a winning system. Let that take some pressure off you today, gang. All you have to do is be disciplined to a winning system. You don't have to be that guy, all right? You're not that guy. All you have to do is be the guy or girl that's disciplined to the system. That's all.
That's it. Gems. That's the secret sauce.
What's the onion setup? It's just a play off of support or resistance. That's all. Oh wow, look at this. See these people, see Marco? Marco's hungry. Marco said, "Hi friend, I'm from Brazil and I'm using a translator." A translator, dude. I'm low on capital, but I got a big dream. That's amazing, dude. I've been there. I've been super low on capital. You guys wouldn't even believe me if I told you. I've been super low on capital, but guess what? I persevered. Remember what I said in the beginning of the stream? Man, we started trucking, man. We started bulldog mentality, doing whatever it took. Hustling, flipping things, got a job if I had to, whatever I had to do to continue marching forward towards freedom and get my dream, I did it. So you got to find that dog within you, my boy. Find that dog within you, tighten up and make it happen. And then that way you'll look back and all this low income, time, right, low capital, the struggle, it'll all be worth it. Right? At some point, you know, some days I think, man, how cool is it, right? When we had no money at certain times. We just, you know, me and my wife just at it, man. Just as a team, broke as a joke, but with a big old dream and a willingness to go after it and a willingness to go get it. And, you know, I just think back and I'm just like, wow, man, those were some of the best times ever. And, you know, it's just amazing. And, you just got to find it within you. You got to find that within you to pull it, right? To pull it out, and you'll make it happen. You'll make it happen. If you're going to this extent where you're from Brazil and you're using a translator, I could tell you want it. I could tell you're hungry. So just stay steady, my friend.
Sir, there's always a way. There's always a way. Dude, don't be that guy that makes excuses, you know, that procrastinates. You know, take action. Take that step and just know, like, there's always a way, right? Like, with God, everything is possible. So,
Yep.
Always a way.
Can we please? Yeah, we're gonna mark up US30. Yep. 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 Yeah, let's take a look at US30 here for a minute. Let's get an idea of what's going on there. Go to the bench. Yeah, we're gonna pull US30 off the bench here pretty soon. All right, so let's look at the weekly time frame here. It looks like we did close bullish, right? We closed bullish above these resistances here to the left. We may get a weekly fake out, right? It's Friday. This candle's still below the range. We do have NFP today, so anything can happen. But you know, we did close above that range there on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily did close bearish here. We closed bearish below this level of support, and therefore we should continue down. Now we don't have a top wick here. That's pretty far up though, right? That's a pretty big stretch here. But again, you never know with NFP here today. Anything could happen, right? Anything could happen. So let's take a look at the 4 hour because that's what we're really concerned with here, right? So the 4 hour is in a range. You have a resistance right here. You have a support down here. And this is the range that we're currently in on the 4 hour time frame. If someone had their range here, it looks like you could have gotten faked out. You see that fake out right there? So that could have been a fake out on the 4 hour, but all we know is that this is our range at this point. Resistance, support, and you know, we do have a wick to fill. So this is something that I would love to target here today. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame to see what that represents. Yep, nice clean traffic to the left hand side. I think US30 is extremely simple here today. We wait for buys above, range 2 buys above this level here. That'll be breaking the daily highs as well. We get that, we'll be good to go, or we take sells below this support level here. Let's see what that looks like on the daily as well. Yep, that's the daily candle be bearish, coming down to break the lows, and that'll work out perfectly. So let's take a look at the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, 30-minute has a nice range here as well. So we'll see what happens. We really want to see the NFP take place in the 4 hour candle close to have a better understanding and an idea of where this pair wants to go here today. But we're gonna leave it like that as of right now. So pretty much sells below 33879 on US30, below this support level here, or yeah, right there. And then range 2 buys above this consolidation here. And if we don't get the range 2 above here, then we could take clean buys above this level up here. So that's what we'll leave it at for now. And yeah, we'll see if we get a breakout. Not if, but when. NFP. Yeah, all the pairs will probably just kind of slow down and consolidate a bit as we approach this news time here. I'm trading a 500 account, trying to get it to 1,000, then use my profit to buy a 100K account. Oh, you're up at 800. Well, guess what? You already got enough money to buy your 100K account. Yeah, most companies, their 100Ks are like 500 bucks. So you already got enough. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel as well. Let's tune in every day and get your trading right. Let's get it right. Yeah, what I love is the messages, man. The messages that come in all day long talking about, hey dude, we're getting better, man. We're avoiding trades, we're avoiding losses, we're waiting for, you know, the right opportunities, we're being patient, we're understanding now that it's not worth it to jump on a low probability setup, right? It's only worth it to jump on the highest probability setups as traders. Right, gang? If one trade can change, if one trade can pay your bills for the month, right? Especially if you're on a funded account, why are you trying to rush? Why are you trying to rush into low probability trades? Why not wait for the highest probability trade, right? And that's what I do. So with the signals too, like I'm only gonna give you guys the highest probability trades. And as of right now, over the last, like I say, week or two, there really hasn't been much in Asian at all, or in London that much. There may have been like 2 or 3 in London, but all the London signals will be coming out next week. So beginning next week, there'll be London signals as well, pretty much every night. As long as the opportunities are there and the high quality setups are there, the signals channel will always have London as well now. So, but you got to wait for high probabilities, man. Some of you guys are wondering, yo, why haven't you taken a trade? It's like, bro, you gotta wait for that. This is how the professionals do it, man. I've studied professionals, dude, who've been trading for 30, 40 years. They wait for the highest probability setups. When I was learning and still do learn a bit from Don, right? I was on that mode, right? Yo, what's good, man? We gotta take a trade. Like, and then his composure and his discipline showed me that that's not how trading is done. Right? Trading is marking up your charts, using logic, waiting for the highest probability setups to come to you. You shouldn't have to go find it, right? You shouldn't have to go looking for your setup. Your setup should show up. It should pop up and you should immediately be alerted saying, that's my position right there. So if you're wondering why you're losing a lot of trades, it's because you're rushing, right? You're taking low probability setups. But going back to what I was saying earlier about the messages coming in, I see a lot of people getting disciplined. I see a lot of people practicing patience, and I love that, because you guys are setting yourself up not to make money today and this week, but to make money next year and 5 years down the road and 10 years down the road, right? I don't want to see you guys make a couple bucks here and there and not learn nothing. I want to see you guys learn and take what you learn and apply it into your life so you could pull money from these markets for the next couple decades, right? That's what I want to see. I don't want you guys to just sit here and rely on some other teacher and take low probability trades. I want to be an example of how the big dogs do it, how the top G's on Wall Street do it. You know, some of you guys, you don't know about none of this stuff, right? That's why it's not clicking in your brain. But you're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today. If you're new, you're gonna learn.
Yes,
Yeah.
heck yeah, that's what we always wait for the best trades, aka the playbook setup, and we only execute on those playbook setups. We avoid all of those unnecessary other trades, which would probably be losses, right? Because they're not our playbook setups. So by having the playbook setup and not deviate from it and only taking that and being disciplined to that,
Yep.
we avoid all of those other trades that would be losses.
Yep.
You know, and that's why you guys are seeing changes in your trading, because you're only trading the playbook setups, which are the best trades, and you're avoiding all those other stupid trades that aren't the playbook setups. That's why we're profitable off the trades we don't take.
Bingo. Bingo. Go look at your P&L.
Bingo.
Go look at your P&L and go remove 5 losses and see where you're at. See where you would be at if you didn't force those trades.
Yep. Ask yourself, are these the best trades? Are these the playbook setups? Whatever your setups are those your setups? You know?
Yep.
You'll be surprised.
You know what I used to do? In order to keep myself in check and make sure I was sticking to the playbook when I didn't have that exact discipline yet or awareness yet, I would keep the playbook that Don printed out for us. I had it laminated, right? I gave that to my brother John after some time. I had it laminated and I sat it right there, right in front of my computer. So that way, anytime I was going to enter a position, all I had to do was look down and say, is this one of the playbook positions? Is it one of them? If it's not, we can't take this position, right? If it is, let's execute with confidence and do our job and let probabilities, give us our result. So go look at your P&L, see if you have a couple losses in there. See if those trades were really, really playbook positions, and if they weren't, imagine what it would be like if you didn't take those losses. Imagine where the account would be. All right. Crypto Madden said, find that DMX in you. Yup, that's that dog. That's the dog in you. All right. Same here, low capital. Yeah, I think we all start off with low capital. I mean, only a few of us are born or have money coming into trading. Whether not, I don't want to say born wealthy, but maybe some of you guys are you built other businesses. You're entrepreneurs. Like you've got money, right? But it's not just about having money, right? That's why I tell people you're not going to get better when you have larger capital. That's not what this is about. If you can make 10% a month on a $100 account, you can make 10% a month on $1 million account. But guess what? If you can't make 10%, you can't make 10%, right? If you can't be profitable on a $100 account, you're not going to be profitable on $1 million account. So it's not about the capital. A lot of us start off with no capital and we think that that's the issue, that's going to fix the problem, right? But I'm telling you, that's not what's going to fix the problem. What's going to fix the problem is playing your game, running your race, taking the capital that you do have and making something happen with it, right? God said what? We're managers of everything we have. We need to be good stewards of what we have, right? So if you have whatever size account you have, get really good at the craft. Get really good at the craft and then focus on getting more capital in there. And there's a never-ending options now of capital, right? If you have the skill set, You can go to any one of these prop firms and get capital. Any one of them. Go get capital to trade with. But you got to have that skill set, right? And you got to focus on that skill set. You can't focus on the dollars and the money and all this crazy. Focus on getting good at the skill, right? Derek Jeter wasn't focusing on the size of his contract while he was taking ground balls in practice, right? He wasn't focusing on every single dollar he could make when he was taking batting practice. He was focusing on being the best he could be at that craft. So focused on making your skill good, right? Your skills will pay the bills, right? Skills pay the bills. So focus on getting that skill set in place, getting that mentality there, that psyche there, and then the money will start to roll in. Then the money will start to follow.
Heck yeah, man. An account is an account, bro. I would trade a 5K account the same way I would trade a 100K account, because my strategy will never change. My capital could change, but my strategy will never change. Right?
100%.
Don't ever think the strategy is going to change. Don't worry about having more capital. That shouldn't be a problem. You continue on with the same strategy and do your thing.
Do it. Do it. Coming in. Hey, good morning, Daniel. Good morning, brother.
Hey, Daniel, good morning.
All right, so we got a 1 hour closure. We got NY Open coming up here. Let's take a look back at gold and see what we got going on. So you notice how we're still rejecting this area here. So let's wait. Let's sit tight for NFP, and we'll let that come around, and then we'll be good to go.
Are we waiting for NFP?
Just wait on it.
Hey, yo, there he is.
Hey, me.
Happy
boy.
Sam,
What
happy
up,
birthday, bro. How was your birthday yesterday?
It was pretty good, actually.
Hey, good morning,
It was
Jose.
amazing. My favorite part was being here. Or
Yes, sir. That was our favorite part of your birthday too.
spending time with the fam.
Was having you here.
Okay.
Sam Capital, ladies and gentlemen. He is
I
in the
didn't really
building.
do much. Got off the stream. Just chilling. One got Mexicano.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. 22 years old, moving and shaking.
And so you're 22 years old, living the freedom life.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
Free man walking.
Good morning, everybody. Wasim, Vibes on, C4. Oh, who said that? Santiago, El Capitan. What up, Disturb? Yo, watch for that boy, Disturb. Xavier.
Yes, sir.
I'm on. Joe Stu. What up, brother? Goes to me. Henry.
Joey Stu's in the building.
Nah, Stefan.
Nope.
Sam, nice having on the screen. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Sam Capital.
What up, guys? What up? What up?
Pumped up for today. Yes, me too. Yeah, you guys should be excited. It's going to be a great day here. Going to be a great day.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be the best day of our lives. Yo!
Man. Yo, the energy, bro. The energy connects.
That's too funny. How to get the signals? You could just get them in the description below. There's links and stuff like that in there. Or as Raja would say, if you could figure it out, you could figure it out.
Your brain.
I love when they be like, hey, mentorship. People like, if you can figure it out, you can figure it out. Yeah, everything's in the description here on YouTube. So let me pull up the stream. Show you guys. Here's the stream. There we are. Say hello. And then you can just come down here and all the links are down there. Everything, man. Yeah, no more time to eat elite, gang. Everything is completely full. So I got to delete that here today. Everything will be back for the elite program in September. So mid-September is when we'll open that back up again. But for now, it's gone, right? It's done. It's all filled up. That's it. Dang, please let the lifetime run till next week. Oh my god.
You guys will be saying that next week too.
Oh, I like that. Good morning, friends. Behave like a pro. Remember, your opinion about the market is worthless. Your ability to follow instructions is what really matters. Yeah, Bruno. Shout out to Bruno. That's good. That's good stuff. Yeah, the market does not care what we want to do. It doesn't. It does not care about anything, about how many pips we want today. That's why we should never have goals, right? We should only take what the market's willing to give us. And like, let's say we got a closure above and it's getting too close to NFP. I'm not taking any trades until after NFP. But if we did, right, let's say NFP wasn't in the way and we were looking to take buys above here, I'm looking at what the market is telling me, right? And I'm seeing the market saying, hey, right around this level, you may run into some rejections. So gang, yes, we have this whole resistance here, but I'm closing 50% of my position, right? At least once we get into these levels here, right? Once we start pushing up, I'm closing some. I'm moving my stops to break even because at any point we could reject this level. So yeah, we have clean traffic coming up, but we may reject here, right? Just like price has done in the past. So I'm taking a look to the left-hand side. I don't care. I don't have a goal, right? My goal is to do whatever the heck the market's telling me to do. So I'm not going to hold full most of the times, or I may hold full, but I'll be break even at this level here. You know, I'll be break even right here. So at bare minimum, because the market has come up to this level here plenty of times and rejected off of it, right? So why would I be like, oh, I need 100 pips today, right? And this range is 100. No, I'm gonna take my 30 pips and I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna have a good weekend. You know, and the rest of you guys are gonna get caught holding the bag sometimes, right? And go back into drawdown, and you know, the weekend's not gonna be too fun. So you can't set goals in the markets, right? You gotta just be willing to listen to the market, be fluent in the market, take what the market's gonna give you, right? If anything, we close partials in these areas and we leave a runner, right? We leave a runner to do the rest of the work here for us. All I need is a piece. All I need is a piece of the pie. All right, that's all I need.
Can't set goals because then you're gonna start forcing trades. For an example, you set a goal. I need to be up 2.5% this week, but you're only up 1.5%. Now you need to make that rest back, and it's Friday, but there's no trades today, and now you're gonna force a trade. So don't do that. Don't set any goals or anything. Take what the market's going to give.
Yep. Yeah, I have a feeling that we'll see gold drive down here. I would love to see this for NFP. If we could see something like this, we could take our sells now coming back down, moving with the daily time frame, moving with the weekly time frame, moving with the monthly time frame, right? In sync with the market. Don't overeat. Yes, don't ever overeat, gang. If you're eating, fill your belly up to like 70%. Some of y'all fill that thing up to like 110. Wondering why you can't move. Wondering why you can't make great trading decisions. You had a 2,000 calorie breakfast, but later. Are you guys trading NFP or after? Most likely after.
The volume probably wants to wait for NFP to come out.
Were you ever trading news before? Yeah, and what's your experience with it? Yeah, I made so much money trading news. But I got 100%, I got lucky. Right? I just picked a direction. I don't want to say I got lucky because I waited for a certain thing to happen, but you know, it could have went either way, right? It could have really went either way. It just happened to go in my favor, and I knew I was lucky, and I was like, yeah, let me chill with that. Let me chill out. 110%. Manna for the day. There you go.
Stay fasted.
Do you normally have a look at other currencies? Yeah, if you guys want us to look at some other currency pairs, let us know and we'll take a look. This stream is too funny. I forced trade, revenge traded, didn't follow the plan, all the same day. This was also the most valuable day of trading. There you go. Lost a ton of money, but learned a ton in a short period of time. Yep, my mentor used to tell me all the time, Nick, go out there and fail fast. Go fail forward, go fail as quick as you can, you know, and get that process over with so you can learn quicker, right? Failure leads to success, you know. And I bring up little Maverick, who's 1 year one today. And you know, you just see it, right? You just see it with him. He was working on, over the last month, he was working on his walking, right? Stop crawling, working on walking, and that boy would get up and fall, get up and fall, get up and fall. Then finally he got a step or two. Fall, right? Get back up, get a step or two, get a step, fall, over and over and over again. Imagine if Maverick said, you know what? Screw this whole walking thing. Screw it. I'm done. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to focus on it. And he just sat there for the rest of his life. Right at one. Nope. That boy's failing quickly, failing fast so he could learn. And now, my man started running yesterday. He came around the turn. I'm like, nah, look at this guy, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. So learn a bit from Maverick, right? Don't quit. Don't quit. Fail forward, and fail quick. What's your view? Up or down? Up or down? Luck is a skill set too.
Yo, chat. Problems are your teachers, and they help you to learn and grow, right? Without them, you would be going nowhere. But with your problems, you're getting closer to where you are supposed to be heading. Right? So problems are your teachers. Let them help you grow.
Yeah, and can you fail and fail forward and fail with no? Can you go from failure to failure with no result and no loss of enthusiasm? That's where the rubber meets the road. That's where the winners separate themselves from everyone else. Everyone tries, right? But not everyone continues. Only the people who have grit and mental toughness are the ones that are gonna continue going, right? The rest are just gonna fall by the wayside, right? They're just gonna settle down, right? But you got to be willing to go from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. That's the main ingredient. So look, and real quick, NY opened up, no bottom wick, price popped up right away. Now we're going to see that bottom wick come. If we do form as a resistance, that's probably going to lead to the push down during NFP, and then we will look to take advantage of sells as they come down, as we move with the daily, as we move with the weekly, and as we move along with the monthly time frame. So quick commercial there. Nightbot tripping.
Hey, if you have a strong enough desire for something, you know, quitting will never be an option. You know, if you have a strong enough desire for something, you will never make excuses to quit. Right? Remember in Think and Grow Rich, we were talking about this earlier this week. A burning desire backed by faith, right? If you have faith in yourself, quitting is not an option. You know, a burning desire backed by faith knows no such word is impossible. So if you have a strong enough desire, it is very possible for you to get your goal. It definitely isn't impossible.
Anything is possible.
There. Hey, that guy TK, get rich or die trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Someone said this guy talks in quotes. Nah, he's spitting knowledge, brother.
He's just like bam, boom. He does, yeah, he does. He studies a lot of books, right? Those are wise words from guys like Napoleon Hill and Earl Nightingale and you know, all these incredible men of wisdom. You know, a lot of wisdom is you know, wisdom isn't new, gang. You know, wisdom isn't new. These are things that were written back in the 40s and the 50s and the 60s, that, you know, through time continue to play themselves out. What's your opinion on taking entries in the last hour of the 4-hour candle? I don't mind taking positions in the last hour, because again, there's a lot of volume, right? With NY Open, 8:30 as well. It's more so the last 15-minute candle of the 4-hour. That's the one I try and stay away from. Happy birthday. Hey, hello from Vietnam. How you doing? How are you? Let's see. I don't want to leave anyone's comment out there. John's a motivation soundboard.
Yo, that guy TK, facts. It's not about getting rich, right? It's not at all. Like,
you're already rich. You were born rich.
Goals. Exactly. Yeah, accomplish your goals or die trying.
Gang, you were born rich. You just don't know it. Bro, Wix too. Yo.
That's hilarious. That's
Yes, I'm upgrading the Mac this weekend.
Hey.
I'm getting an Alienware.
That's how.
I'm getting the best. I'm gonna try and get the best of the best. We'll see. I usually suck at things in the beginning and then I get awesome. Yep, sounds about right.
I was gonna say, yeah, you'll like them. You'll like the Windows way more once you get to use it.
I'm looking forward to it because right now I'm running Windows through Parallels, so it's a bit I think it's a bit confused. Are you gonna trade when the news comes out? No, I'm not gonna take any positions for the news, but after the news and we find direction, once the dust settles, then we'll look to take advantage of all the volume that's gonna come in. Is he in a trade? Mateo? Nope, no trade yet. If the daily bias is bearish, are you still waiting for the 4-hour to close bearish before taking? No, not necessarily. Nope. Yeah, I like to look at the 30-minute and the 1-hour. I put them all together, but I like to look for, you know, ranges and structure on the 30-minute and the 1-hour, sometimes the 15. But yeah, I mean, I'll use all the time frames to my advantage, but I don't need to see the 4-hour be bearish. No. John was trying not to quote 50 Cent, but it ended up happening.
Yeah, seriously.
America. I'm flipping $10 to 1 million. Hey, some of your Instagram Forex gurus will put that too. If you want to learn how to take $100 to 100 million in 90 days, buy my course. It's on sale right now. It's normally $4,500, but today it's only $4,000. Go ahead and buy my course. Too funny. And then they show you a screenshot that looks like this. Bro, you want to start trading like this? Getting sniper entries with tight stop losses, taking full advantage of the full range? Follow me on Instagram, buy my course, and you are going to be an instant millionaire. And you know what's crazy? Y'all be buying that stuff. Crazy. You could trade it on the beach. I made 400 pips here while I was relaxing on the beach, putting suntan lotion on my girlfriend. Come on, man. Come on. Don't fool for it.
I was rubbing her back while my empty file was just floating and dropping.
I got off the jet ski You know, I jumped off, I rubbed my girlfriend's back, put some suntan lotion, decided to take a look at my phone. I was up $100,000. It's too easy. Munching Oreos and watching the stream come.
Sir?
Sir.
Sir.
Sir?
Morning,
Is
sir.
that Mr. Gorgeous?
Is it gorgeous?
What's happening?
Hello, Uncle Scott. Good morning.
Come on.
Good morning, Uncle Scalp. Hold on, gang. Let's get Uncle Scalp out here.
We're Uncle's
Morning,
here.
chat. Morning, chat.
Unky got motion.
All right, Uncle. The stage is yours. There he is. There he is. Bright and early. 5-minute creating a mini zone on gold. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Sell.
Happy birthday, Maverick. Hey, thanks for all the happy birthdays to Maverick.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate
Shout out that boy. Shout out that young boy.
Shout out that young boy.
That young bull.
Maverick told me to say W.
He's a bull and a bear.
He's walking, and he's a W. So he's a walking W.
Hey, facts.
He's a walking W. Well, he's not talking yet, but he's a walking W.
What's up, Scott? What's up, Sam, man? Joey Stew.
Joey Stew's in the
He
building.
ain't lying, Joe. He ain't lying.
Joe, you with a reason, Joe. You with a reason. Oh, man.
You helped me pass my funded challenge. I quit my job right now.
Over 10K, they'll open a drop shop.
Yo, Joe's got to do that, boys, bro.
I quit my job right now. I come on your stream.
Oh, man. I swear, right now, you help me get funded, I will quit my job. I'll be full-time on your stream.
I quit my job right now. I come on your Zoom.
Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, and then the marketers would be like, by the way, if you want another source of income, sign up for my drop shipping program. You want to easily make 10 grand a month? I mean, easily make 10 grand a month. They don't tell you about all the hidden fees and hidden investments that go in that thing, man. Come on.
It's like, bro, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. What are you talking about?
Hey, Nick, we're gonna need another $2,000. This to add to. Wait, what? I thought it was just one investment. Yeah. First time here. How's everything going? Hey, just Ozzy. What up, man? Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give the channel a sub. We're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway, by the way. So if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now for your opportunity and your chance to win that 100K account. We're also doing a giveaway for 3 months of signals too, and that's coming up here real soon. So you got to be subbed to the channel in order to enter into for the opportunity to win that. But gang, 100K account, like, I'd be subbing to the channel just for that. Never mind everything else. Never mind the 87% win rate that we have for the year. Never mind the gems, the wisdom that these guys drop here on stream. But for a 100K account, that's life changing, gang. Life changing.
Heck yeah, you're talking about $1,000 to $2,000 trades. Pretty life changing to me.
Yeah, they're.
Yo, hero of the day. I never ever said you should max out your credit card.
Yeah, that was not John.
That was
Stop saying that.
That was not this stream. Yeah, Uncle Scout, man, you done confused a lot of people with that one, bro.
You got a lot of people really contemplating that too.
People are hitting me up, dude. I maxed it out. What do I do next?
Gotta watch what I say on you.
Next step, sir?
Yeah.
So, credit card, that was easily maxed out. Next step.
I meant do what it takes to get it done, guys. Not literally go max your card out.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's very generous of you guys. Thanks for the chance at the giveaway. Yep. Yeah, one person's gonna get a 100K account. We're gonna do that giveaway, and then 2 other people are gonna get like probably like 3 months of signals for free. W2. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ real quick. We got 15 minutes here before the news. Let's take a look at NAS 100, see what is the deal and what's going on here. So if we are looking, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Very similar to US30, right? Let me see here. Yeah, very. You see how US30 weekly time frame closed? Same thing with the NASDAQ here. So looks like we did close above this level of resistance. We have broken the highs, came down, created a steeper bottom wick. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily did close bearish, right? So if we're looking for positions today, we're going to prioritize buys. Sells. I'm sorry. We're going to prioritize these sells. We did close below this level, which is pretty good. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour is had an onion play right here. Look at that 4-hour fake out back into the range, came down, retested that support. But one thing we know, we do have a resistance here, right? We have a resistance up top. We got a support down here. We are pretty bearish. It looks like we've made that top wick. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Oh yeah, just juicy, man. 1 hour closure right below here. Don't even have to look at anything else. Wait for that closure below. 30-minute time frame. You may have to adjust that a little bit based off of what time frame you're taking this position off, but there it is. Clean price action to the bottom. Clean price action up top, and I would just wait for these ranges here to break. I would not take any buys above here. I wouldn't take any buys above here. We're bearish based off the day anyway, and it's just super choppy in this range, right? You don't really want to be a part of this range right here. Whatever pips are in this range are not my pips today. Not my pips. If I'm taking buys, I'm taking full advantage of the cleanest range here, which is right here. This is the range that I'm looking to take buys in today, but we are very bearish, so sells below here would be absolutely beautiful. So that's the NASDAQ for the day. Very simple. Very simple.
Not my pips, not my problem.
Not my pips, not my problem. Look at this. Here's our resistance being formed, right? Just wait on it. Some of you guys took buys here, and I told you why I wasn't taking buys here, but you just didn't want to listen to the YouTube guy. That's totally fine. I've been in your shoes, but kind of sucks sometimes. Hey Nick, what do you think about Raja Bank saying that Forex will end in 2025? I think DeckTube that you should probably click the video and watch it. Yeah, just don't just read the title. May I know we're waiting on for gold? NFP. If the gold gives us fake out that to the downside, we'll flip the candle. If there was no news, yes. If there was no news, I'd be starting to look for my sells right here on this closure. Yeah. I wouldn't have taken the sell on this 30-minute because it still never closed below. But I would be waiting for a closure now, yeah. I don't think I would have took it off the 15 either. So let's just wait on this news. I want news to push us all the way through these ranges. None of these pips, to be honest, are really the greatest, right? I want it to push us all the way through this. And if we can get a beautiful candle closure below here, that's where that's where our best sells are here, right? We have clean traffic to the left-hand side for price to continue down, fill this clean range here, and then that's where I'll be looking to take my sells. So I want to see NFP really drive us down so we can get a closure like that, right? We talked about this from the beginning of the stream, gang. From the jump. So we'll see if we get it to happen. Right? We're negotiators here. We make the rules, the markets don't, right? Whatever deal the market wants to do is fine, but we're not doing a deal with the market unless it's our deal. Right? The market can do anything it wants to do, but in order for us to have a position in here, we are negotiating a deal. And you know what we need? We need closures. We need closures above or below. We need to leave wicks, right? We need to see a top or bottom wick on our new candle, right? We need to see the lows break. These are things that are in our deal. that the market needs to do in order for us to take advantage, right? Where it's our deal or no deal. Our deal or no deal. And guess what happens when you settle? The market gonna get you, and then go like, I got him. I got that sale. I got him. I won the negotiation battle. I made them jump, right? You guys should study negotiators. Study some negotiators. Have you heard of ASFX? He was saying no one makes money reading candles. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Care about that?
I don't know. We're making money here. We're making money. We're making money. Well, no one makes money in general, right? Only the mint makes money. We just attract it.
Nice.
Stay down till you come up. Yes, sir. You gotta know how to play your role. How to draw rectangle lines like that? Right here, rectangle, right here. On TradingView, you gotta look for that symbol. And then that's how you can do it. Can you enter can you create a video about entering trade criteria? Yes, we will do that. Yup, we have about 3 different entries, so 3 or 4 different entries. You could also check out the playbook video that I posted. That'll help out too. We have news in 8 minutes. Yes, lock in, put your seatbelts on, gang, get ready. So we just had a push here at 8:20. So that was our comics open push. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yep, you see that big 5 minute candle? Oh no, we pushed up. I'm sorry, we pushed up there on the 5. So yeah, had a nice push up, and now here we coming back down now. The channel has no join button? Nope. Nope. Not yet. Maybe we'll add one. What are the benefits of doing the challenge instead of the accelerated? I think the leverage is different. I believe the payout structure is different as well. I think evaluation has the best in terms of like percentages and all that good stuff.
Here of the day. Sounds good, bro.
I literally do not even see that name.
Pretty recent.
It's like all one word. Lowercase.
Yeah. Oh. Is that... Yeah, bro. No one cares that you're buying or selling. I don't think anyone cares. You're not that guy. Is there any good trading books that you recommend that'll help with fundamentals? Fundamentals, no. I just read. I read the Forex Mindset, which was amazing, and I also read Trading in the Zone. That was really good too.
I would just Google like basics to macroeconomics.
Yeah.
Macroeconomics is basically what the foreign exchange market runs off of.
Yep.
What do you guys think? We got Bleeder, we got Joe's for NFP.
Oh, we'll have to wait. We'll have that answer in 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
Everybody's sitting down.
Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
I don't know. They're forecasting about 100,000 more jobs being created, so that would be bearish for gold. But we just wait on it. See, this is exactly why. See, this is why we don't trade news, gang. For everyone who's wondering, we don't know what it's gonna be, right? Like we can make an extremely educated guess. So like, this is usually what I do is I say, okay, look, every month for NFP, they've come out way higher than forecast, right? So there was actually a lot more jobs created than there was the previous month, right? And what they were expecting the numbers to be. So last month, for example, they forecasted about 200,000 jobs were created, but then it actually came out and there was 350. Month before that, 180,000. Actual came out 250. So the market gets a little surprised, and that's where you see the volume come in. But if for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, for the entire year, we've been seeing a good NFP, why would we come and look at these numbers and say, oh, well, today might be different, right? So it's just like, and I'm not saying trade the news either, because it could be different, right? Because it's all probabilities. That's where we just stay out though.
And even if we are correct in our direction, and Sam usually is correct in his direction, because what he just said is valid, right? That if the numbers did go his way, then yes, that would fundamentally mean that gold would bleed. But the thing about news is, and when the numbers are released, is that a crazy thing could, like, it could top wick, stop you out, and then go down in that direction and continue driving, or it could go down that direction and you're hit with major spreads, you get in late, and then it reverses and then stops you out. So it's just very dangerous.
Yeah, there's too many variables that could go wrong. That's what it is.
Facts.
You're better off waiting for news to settle when price is moving more calmly, spreads are down, and then you take a nice safer trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, and when news comes in, you got volume now. News brings in volume.
Yep.
But don't think the move is gone because when news drops and that huge candle comes, gold's exhausted. No, I used to think the same thing, and it's not the case.
Gold's exhausted, man. You know how many times we hear that?
Once news drops, then you wait for the move after news. Gold is not exhausted when that single big candle comes. That's not the case. It's not true.
We don't.
Yeah, man. So true.
Exactly. We don't trade news. We let news play out, and then we take advantage of the volume it brings. Because news brings volume.
Yep. 1 sec here, chat. Let me just take care of something.
The red effect.
Right.
Red effects.
Hey, what's good, Shad? How we doing?
Shad's in the building. What up, Shad? Morning, champ. The champ is here. Yeah, you know how many times we hear gold is exhausted, gold is dead, gold is a gang. You just gotta follow price action. It's you guys are trying to predict things. You guys are trying to like predict tops and bottoms. It's not what we do, right? It's follow price action. That may be your strategy, right? But it's not our strategy. And guess what? All strategies work, right? If you there it goes. If you have the nuances and the discipline to stick to it, there it is.
See, this is exactly what we just said.
Yep.
This is exactly
Fire
what we
away.
just said.
Bombs away.
Weren't we just saying bleeders, and now look at
Yep, and see, so this is exactly what I'm saying, right? I said for the last 5-6 months, we've had a good NFP. Today we just had our first bad one in the last 6 months. Nobody could have predicted that, right? The last 6 months, we've had 100,000 plus more jobs created than they were expecting. Today, we had negative 15,000 jobs were created.
Yeah.
Right? Wasn't negative 15, but they're 15,000 below what they're expecting. So it's like anything could happen right there. You know what I mean? That's why you seen that gold fly up, and now we just wait and see what happens for the rest of the day.
That's it. RIP all
100%.
sellers, and then RIP all buyers, and then a lot of blown accounts here.
Wait,
and we're chilling.
Sam, quick question. Yesterday, it was ADP non-farm employment change, right? And it was like almost double the forecast.
Yeah.
Right, almost double the previous. And now today, it's non-farm employment change is worse. So what is that?
Well, yesterday, so it's the automatic data process one. That's the ADP.
Right, that's
So
the
it
payroll.
gives like the estimate. But like obviously the market prices it in. I mean, we saw the massive bleeder yesterday off of that good USR news.
Right.
But then today, with obviously not as many jobs are created, bad USR news. But yeah.
Yep.
But that's really the only thing, you know, like in trading, when we're looking at price action, we look left. If you're looking at fundamentals, you just look at the previous forecast and actual. Like, those are your previous data. Like how we look left for that. So I just look at for NFP. But like I said, you know, anything could happen.
It's funny we had that closure above too, and then this candle.
Yeah,
what was up with that? That was like the last couple seconds of that previous candle. You seen that before the news dropped?
Yeah.
That was interesting. That activated a lot of sell stops. That's what that was about. That activated a ton of sell stops, and then boom, price pushed all the way up. There was so much money sitting up there. So much moolah up in this range here. All gone. So many blown accounts here today.
A lot of emotions and feelings are hurt.
Yep. A lot of feelings are hurt, a lot of emotions, a lot of way to go. Like, why do that to yourself going into the weekend?
Yeah, really, yeah.
Yeah, spreads, slippage, I mean, yeah. Does the playbook work on crypto as well? It should, yeah. The playbook really works on anything in terms of price action and candles, which they all have. The thing is, you have to make sure you're finding out the nuances to trading that specific pair, right? Make sure you understand when the volume's in, when the session opens happen, when things go. What I always like to say is go look for all the big candles. See what time that happens, right? Go back on price, go back test it, see when all the big candles showed up, and then that's when you're gonna have that high volume on that pair. So sample size it for a couple weeks and then let it rip.
My friend is literally crying right now.
Drop a like for a blade. Is it overbought? It's overbought, sir.
Drop a crying face if you just blew an account.
I hate those guys coming to the stream saying sell, 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 or buy, buy. Bro, start your own live stream. Yeah, word. Again, go start your own live stream. 2 people are going to come watch you. What do you guys think about USD CAD? Let's take a look while we wait. Let's take a look at US30, see what happened there too. GJ just wiki wick. Let's take a look at US30. Oh wow, really nothing happened here. Interesting. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. Yeah, see that? Nice clean range we pushed in. So there's more clean traffic above here. More clean traffic above there. What pair are we gonna look at again? I forgot. USD CAD, right? USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD. Oh, look at that. Closing no bottom wick. I would just wait, right? Wait for a candle closure at this point. Let's take a look at what's the daily looking like. Daily's pretty bullish. You never know. We may be making a bottom wick. Daily did close right at resistance though. So yeah, we may start to push down. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour has broken all the lows. Clean traffic to the left. 1 hour, 1 hour's driving. I would say at this point, wait for the 4 hour to close and then get yourself a wick fill. I'm looking to the left here. I see this this level like right around here. I would just make sure you get a closure below there and then take advantage of the rest of this range here. Yep, USD CAD.
Yup. See, this is the thing I see. There's some people blew their account or took a massive loss. Someone said they got slipped. See,
Oh,
like,
really? You guys took losses here? Oh, damn.
That's just what we're saying. You know, there's too many variables that go into it, so it's not worth it.
Will you make
Too many
a...
things that could go wrong.
Yeah, Tommy, we're going to make a video on all that. I have all that stuff here planned out. Yep. Nas went crazy? Yeah. Dollar dumped? Yeah, I bet. Now I understand the news concept. Thanks. There you go. Spread was 10 pips on my Forex funds? Damn. What's the spread now? Almost 3 pips. 2 pips. Gold ripping here. Ripping up. So yeah, let's let the dust settle here, gang, and then we'll look to take positions. See how this 4-hour closes up here. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel though, subscribe to the channel. We're creeping up on 10K here. We're also doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway. So if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now for an opportunity to win that. It's gonna be, I can't wait to do the giveaway. It's gonna be a fun time. 1.2 on ACAP. Yeah, I'm using the funded trader too on a copy trader. How do you draw the rectangles? Right here. You got to come up here. You got to find it. Right. It's the third one down. Boom, boom, boom. Subscribe. Hey. Raja just said you can't fix stupid. He's right.
Definitely right.
Oh, this is so much more relaxed here. Nothing, really nothing against watching him catching the buys on gold isn't for my personal health. That's funny. Full ported my grandma's house and lost. Uh-oh, grandma. Gonna have to move her to the nursing home now. I saw spreads as high as 60. Oh, that was probably 6 pips. It's probably like 6.0. You guys take a trade already? No, we're waiting. Raja keeps it real. Yeah, facts. Yeah, I miss watching him. Sometimes I'll watch him like later on in the day. Go scope him out. I love that dude, man. He opened my eyes to all this stuff. Raja really gave me the blueprint. He gave me the foundation, and then Don helped me really put it together. Really put it together. Thank God for Don, man. Because if it wasn't for Don, I'd still be taking impulse entries. I'd still be trading news. I think I had already learned about the whole, no wick, don't enter type thing. But he also helped me out big time with the range 1, range 2 concept. I remember when that clicked for me, I was like, whoa, that makes total sense right there. That makes total sense. Yeah, he helped me out with so much. Even in terms of just looking left a little bit further, he was a gem in my trading journey for that. So couldn't be more grateful for both of them guys, man. They both keep it real. They're both professionals, and they both do really well. So that's what attracted me to them. Don, the biggest thing with Don was his discipline, man. His ability to stay disciplined and composed throughout his session, only trading his playbook and not deviating at all. Man, I admired that like you would never believe. And I knew that if I just got that, then I could take my whole trading to the next level. And once we got it, man, when it clicks, it clicks. Right? When it comes together, brother, it comes together. So yeah, make sure you guys are learning, making the adjustments, making the tweaks, and doing what you got to do. Did we enter trade yet? No. Same story as me. Oh, nice, Huss. Do you have a subscription on YouTube? Nope. Lost 85% of my account today. Lesson learned. Awesome. W.
Oh my God.
That's a W. Straight up. Kind of weird that we got almost 2K views but not 1K likes. Hey, yo, what's up with that? Gang, can we get some likes on the stream? And if you're not subbed to the channel and you want to win that $100,000 challenge account, subscribe to the channel and you'll have an opportunity to win that account. And we want to see you win. We did in a couple account giveaways already, and we got people who are 100K funded right now making life-changing money. So we want to see you guys win. We want to see you win at the highest levels in life. Yeah, that is true though. I can't believe we don't have 1,000 likes. TTE, what's going on, man? 790, those are rookie numbers. Those are like 2 months ago numbers. Raja, then Don, yep. Nick, you'll be the no. Oh, and thank you, DeckTube. Raja made 8K. Oh, you made 8K. Your name's Raja too. Thank you, Ricky. Thanks, Ricky. Appreciate that, man. Did we enter on gold? No, we did not enter on gold. No, we didn't. Hey, where's them likes though? Who is Raja, Nick? He is a master. He's the master. Nick and Tyler put me on. Oh, where'd it go? Gone. Chat moving quick, man. Chat's on a roll here. My bad, I was reading something, but oh, Nick and Tyler put me on, introduced me to Forex, and the rest was history. Yep, thank you. Thankful for Nick and Time to Eat. Hey, man. Trade like Jose, what a great student he's been. What great progress he's had. He's a Time to Eat elite member. I think he's passing his phase 1 most likely on the next trade he takes. He already passed 2 challenges, but he's going bigger. He's going bigger, baby.
That's a beast.
Stop trading based on your feelings. Yes, stop trading based on your feelings, gang.
Trade like a robot. 0 emotions. 0.
Yeah. So you can tell new people here what strategy you're using. Price action, pretty much, just price action. Raja bollocks. Hey, where's Joe Stewart at? You would have reason, Joe. You would have reason.
Or are you back? Say something.
Do you never trade news? No, I never trade news anymore. If so, why not? By the way, I got stopped out in a loss, even though the stop was in profit. Yep, that's why I don't trade news. Major spreads, major slippage, and just not worth it. It's a 50-50 at the end of the day, and we don't take 50-50s here. We take 85 plus probability setups. Props to you. So nice to shout out to Don. He is truly great. Yeah, he really is. He is very admirable young man. I must say, man, he changed my life. He changed my life, right? You know what he did too, outside of trading? He also was a great example on how to create a culture for a live stream, right? So we've piggybacked on a lot of his stuff, and you know, hopefully he's proud. If he sees the stream one day, hopefully he's proud, you know, because I really take his stuff serious. You know, I don't bend the rules. I don't break the rules. I know the system works, and I respect the system, bro. Like, you know, it's my nut. When I come to the charts, it's all I do is I just stay disciplined to the concepts that I learned from Don and Raja. Those concepts have got me an 87% win rate throughout this year and last year as well. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And yes, he is truly great, and I do appreciate him. So grateful for this channel. Thank you all. A smack show in the building. Someone said, what happened to my account? Hey, it was here 1 minute and it's gone the next. What happened? Oh my God, where'd that last $700 go that I just deposited in yesterday? Oh crap, let me call my broker. You have reached a number that cannot be connected. Sorry. Almost 2K views. Hey, over 2K views here. I think that's peak views for us here today.
Let's
so
go.
W. Hey, shout out to all 2K of you. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for dropping by the Time to Eat Elite channel. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. If you haven't subbed to the channel yet, give the channel a sub. And for the 3rd time, we're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway here pretty soon. So sub to the channel for your opportunity to win that. Life changing, man. Life changing. Yeah, I'm grateful. I pray for you guys. I'm happy that you guys are taking the value, and running with it, right? You know, it's your life. You know, you got this one life, and you have an opportunity to plug into these live streams just like I did and change that life for the better. You know, you have the opportunity to make a dream a reality here. So take it serious. Take it serious. You did the same impact to us, Nick. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Hopefully I win, bro. Hey, hopefully you win, DeckTube. We just need to sub to win. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. When we do the giveaway, we're going to pick one of the subs. What can we do to win the giveaway? Just sub to the channel. Yeah, just subscribe. And hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. If you want a good trade today, if you want to make some money here, let's hit the like button. Yeah, how about this? If you're not subbed, you can't win. I mean, if you don't like, you can't win. I'm gonna come back to the stream. I'm gonna go into my YouTube studio and I'm gonna look at all the likes on this stream today, July 7th, 2023, Maverick's birthday. And if I pick you and you're not there, then you're not in. we're gonna go to the next giveaway. Whoa, wait. What did someone say? I forget.
Go.
All right, we got a 4-hour close coming up here in just a little bit. We're getting a very, very nice rejection here to the top side. Let's see how this 1-hour candle closes. And yeah, we're going to be looking for some positions here pretty soon. All right, we're almost there. If you haven't liked the stream and you like it right now, I believe we can get to 1,000 in 1 second. We've seen it happen. So if you didn't like the stream, like it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 1. That's what I do to my daughter all the time. Nah. Rock bottom is often the best place to start. Yeah, it is. Logan knows. What up, Logan Rose? Logan Rose knows. There it is, 1K. Appreciate you guys. What's your Instagram username? It's right here. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. Yeah, follow me on IG too, gang. I post a lot of good trading content on my stories, and we're gonna be pouring a lot more content into our YouTube channel, a lot more content into all of our social media channels. So stay tuned. Man, that 100 would change my life. Yes, sir. It is what it is. Who's your idol? Raja Don? Oh man, I love them both. They both equally, you know, really helped me change everything. Are you in a trade? Nope, not yet. A beautiful sell might occur on gold. I would say so. Yeah, that's been our plan all day, right? We're patiently waiting like a lion would in the high grass. We're just patiently waiting for our setup to come to us. And once it comes, we will attack. We'll execute.
Are you in a trade, sir?
No, sir. Yeah, this has been our journey here over the last couple months. July, we've only gotten on the board one time here. So July, June, we had an incredible month, almost damn near perfect, man. We had one break even, and then one small 10 pip loss there towards the end of the month. But that was it. Other than that, just beautiful job, gang. Beautiful job as a community. Most of you guys took the same trades and stayed disciplined, stayed patient, and you had an amazing month of June. Yeah, June was absolutely incredible. Let's see
Best
here.
month of the year so far.
Yeah. June made like 22%. W's. Yeah, this was May. May we took 3 losses, I believe. No, 4 losses. Yeah, 4 losses. We were like 16-4 in May, I believe. April was fire too. We had a good April. Yeah, honestly, we've had great months here. We've had great months all in all. Every month has been just one after another.
Well,
Dime
look at
after
the win
dime.
rate for the year. You know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a new win rate. We'll total it up after today's stream this weekend. Yeah, gang, I'm gonna be creating a lot more content this weekend as well. So stay tuned for that.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Right on.
Let's see. Oh wow, Nick made me believe there's still good people on Earth. Thanks for being a servant leader. Oh man, that's amazing. Good. That's good for me. That's good to hear.
Sam the goat.
Sam the goat in the building. Oh wow, the funny part is the only loss we took in June, I was not on the stream. Was cooking. Oh, ended up having 100% win rate. Hey, nothing wrong with that, Santiago. I had to settle for a 94% win rate that month. Someone's got to do it.
Bro, Jose, you're absolutely chilling.
What?
That didn't come natural.
Oh yeah, it
What
was.
you're doing.
Yeah. Tape policy, I would open up like a LLC or something. That's what I did. Yeah, I'd run it through a business. Yeah, that loss. Yeah, that's right. That loss was a win for most of you guys. That loss, I had opened up almost a 40 lot by mistake. Almost a 40 lot. So yeah, that was crazy. But I wanted to move my stop. You know when you enter a trade and you just kind of put your stop wherever, take profit sometimes. Like that's what we were doing there because it was such a quick trade. And then the night before, man, I had been on a coaching call and I was showing someone a little bit how to use fixed percentage or fixed lots on magic keys. And dude, I completely forgot to switch it. So yeah, that 10 pips, it was like I couldn't even move my stop. It was like hope for the best, right? And then we got stopped for 10 pips. But that's fine, no worries. But yeah, I don't think many people took a loss there.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, man. Was only supposed to lose 1K. I lost 4K on that.
Yeah.
That was that one was right here.
Previous
Yeah.
candle stops were like 20 pips, not even on that trade.
Yo, 39 hundo. 39 hundo, and that should have been 1K. But hey, it is what it is. You guys, that was a great stream. If you guys didn't see that stream, go back because what you seen was me just take a loss, brush it off, move on, and we moved on to the next trade, right? I didn't dwell on that loss. I didn't, make a big deal about it, right? We just ate it and moved on for the next high quality opportunity. I didn't revenge it. I didn't try and get back into a trade immediately, right? I just waited, sat tight. Another opportunity fell into our lap, and we took like a 50 pip winner on that. So that was perfect.
Yeah, go watch that video. Great example.
Yeah, that was right here. See, where was that in June?
Was that the 15th or 14th?
Yeah, 10 pips, and then I took another position, closed partials at 15, let the rest run to 45 pips. So yeah, it was 8 a.m. and then 9:30, both on the 26th of June.
Oh yeah, chat. But that's how you move on from losses. You move on from them by focusing on the next best trade, which is AKR playbook setups.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey Nick, then you came back for a win on the next play. Yeah, exactly. To be honest, that was a great stream and caught a banger straight after. Yeah, we did. That was a really good stream. It really was. A lot of gems in that stream. What's your opinion on Raja? I love Raja. He's the man. He's the man. I'm still waiting for him to come to our stream. He told me he was going to come. But I'm still waiting on him. Okay, cool. We got 5 minutes here, gang. So 5 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. Once this candle closes, we'll take a look at where we're at, and then we'll reassess and see how we can get positions in here today. So this is a big candle right here. This 30-minute candle. What's your IG? My IG is right here on the bottom, gang. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. Yeah, right here. Let us cook. Is this gold? Yes. Yep.
Let that boy cook.
Let him cook. Raja sets other streams right with his comments. You sure you want him on? Yeah, I do. I would love to have him on here. Yeah, me and Raja talk through like DM and stuff. Same thing with Don here and there. I hope he won't call us idiots. You idiots, you didn't take buys on NFP? Nah, he's a good guy, man. He's a man. What is your IG handle? Gang, right here. Right here. It's next to it. Why are there lots of people? We'll have to, oh yeah, Nightbot. Yeah, I think you, exclamation point Instagram. Or exclamation point IG, I think it is. And you can have the link to my IG come up. Oh, where can you get a copy of the template? It's in our Discord. So you guys can come over here. You can join our free Discord right here. And hold on one sec. Come over here, join the free Discord. Let me pull it up. There it is. What do we got here? Oh, greenery. There's another fake Nick. Yeah, a lot of fake Nicks. Don't be fooled, gang. It's Friday. They're coming for your paychecks. But yeah, go to announcements and then come up here and just come up to the template right here. Just scroll up a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Sam blew his account. That's why he's gone. Please use fixed lot. Reason, explain. Yes, I use fixed lots. Mainly use 10 lots here for the most part. And the reason I do that is because I was using percentage based at one point, and it would be like 2 or 3% of the account. And one thing I noticed is when I had a really good stop loss, right? Like let's say I had a tight stop, then I would still be risking 3%, right? Like let's say it was only a 15 pip stop loss. On a 100K account, I'm risking 3%, so it equals up to $3,000, right? So if I'm using a fixed 10 lot and I'm risking 15 pips, well now I'm only risking 1.5%, which is 1,500. So as I got stopped out, you know, back in the day, or let's say 2 years ago, and thinking, man, like I lost so much on that, right? How could I have lost less? And I thought to myself, well, if I had a fixed lot, I would have lost less, right? And a small stop loss should be a good thing, right? But when you're at fixed risk per trade, it doesn't really become a good thing, right? It almost kind of becomes a scary thing, because now you only got a 10 pip window and you're going to tap into 2% or 3% or whatever it is. So what I do now is I use 10 lots, fixed 10 lots, unless we go over like 35, 40 pips. I'll either adjust it to an 8 lot, or I'll just go down and like go to like 3% risk. Yeah. Can you check the NASDAQ? Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of fake pages, gang, so just be aware. All right, so we had a new 4-hour. We're gonna check the NASDAQ in a few, but there's a new 4-hour candle here, right? So we've had a lot of volume pump in here. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 30-minute as well. 30-minute did close bearish, right? Closed bearish with this rejection wick to the top. We do understand that it's 9 a.m., that there's a lot of volume coming in now, and you know, over the course of the next hour here. The 4-hour did close bearish, right? So we need some things to start lining up for us. You know what I mean? We broke the daily highs here. So being that we broke these daily highs, you know, there's a chance that we can now push up and basically we can continue to remain jammed up in this range right here on the daily time frame. Unless, you know, this candle makes a decision, right? But we did just break these previous highs with NFP. So that's you know, that's something that just happened. So we got to be aware of that. We got to make sure we're in sync with the markets and being fluent. Let's take a look at it. So daily broke the highs. 4 hour has closed bullish above this range here, right above this range right here. The 1 hour candle had closed bullish as well, and now we're making a bottom wick, but the 30-minute closed bearish. We don't have a top wick here, so this may be the bottom wick for the 4 hour candle to continue up to fill this wick up here. So we don't know that yet, so we just need to wait. We need to have a little bit more patience here today. I think a setup is going to fall right into our lap. I wouldn't just jump on these sells right away. Let's let all these time frames start speaking the same language, and then we'll look to take positions here. So let's give it a little bit more time. We know that we have a lot more volume coming in within the next 20 minutes or so. So let's give this 4 hour time, the 4 hour candle time to open up here, create a bottom wick or do its thing, and then, you know, we'll see what happens. Please check GJ. Yeah, let's check pound yen as well. Oh yeah, GJ did close above here. So let's take a look. Daily time frame is very bearish. 4 hour did close above as well. There's also another level here on the 4 hour, right? Yeah, we pretty much closed above there on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is pretty strong bullish as well. We do have some sort of level, I would say, like right there. Let's take a look at this 30-minute as well. Man, yeah, it seems that this candle did close above here. So buys could be in play. Buys could be in play. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, closure above. Let's give the 4 hour candle just a little bit more time. We broke the high already. Let it come down, create a bottom wick. If we're looking for bottom wicks on this 4 hour candle, I would anticipate somewhere in this range, somewhere between, you know, 182.800 and 182.900. We get a bottom wick, and then if we re-break those highs, you know, there's a very high chance that price will continue up here today. Look at something like this. So let's see if we can get it. Can you check the NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. NASDAQ. All right, yeah, clean sells below here. Just wait on it. Just wait on this. Wait for a 30-minute candle to close here. Yeah, if you get a closure below the range here, price is coming downtown. You got a strong support right here. You got to get past. Once you close below that, something looking like this, then you shouldn't have an issue coming down here. All right, take your sells on the next candle, coming down to retest the lows. Got a lot of volume coming in at 9:30 too. Let's also look at the Dow here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, gang. You had that closure below, but we had news, right? So news would have stopped you out. I think if we wait for this 30-minute candle to close here, and it closes below this level, then you're entering this new range. So you can take advantage of that, right? There's a couple ranges here. There's three noticeable ranges, right? You got the yellow range, you got the blue range, and you got, let's say, the white range. The white range, right? So these are your ranges. So currently right now we are still in the blue range because we have not gotten a closure below, right? We need a close below this level here in order for us to confidently say, okay, we can now trade the white range or the gray range. But this candle can easily, and I'm talking about easily, pull back just like this one did. So you have to wait. You have to wait for that close below. If you get that close below, you can anticipate price moving back down. Very, very simple. Very simple. But yeah, lock it in. We might bring Bruce Buffer out here pretty soon. Did I used to rock the man bun? Yeah, yep. Had long hair for a little bit. A friend of mine told me every man should grow his hair out at least once in his life. So that's what I did. Alright, good stuff here. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Just blew my account using leverage. Oh, lesson learned. There you go. You will only trade gold here on stream? No, gold and GJ, and I believe next week we're gonna start trading US30 because US30 is a pair that I've been watching for like over a year now, like maybe like 14-15 months. So I think I got the hang of it. I think I know what I'm looking for. Our system works really well with it. I wanted to make sure I had the timing down right with it when the volume comes in, and I think it's just about time. And then we're gonna watch the NASDAQ here for the next couple months, and then we'll most likely start to trade that pair as well. So we're gonna have a solid lineup, gang. We're gonna have gold, US30, and the NASDAQ pretty soon, potentially the NASDAQ.
It's a fire line.
Nazzy Dazzy.
The Nazzy Dazzy.
Someone said I blew my account. I heard that, bro. Relax.
Sam was listening. He was drinking his chocolate milk.
Yeah. If I step away, I keep the stream up.
Can't get nothing by it. It's like Green. You can't get nothing by Green. Can't get nothing by Sam. He's always listening.
Yeah.
Do you have a course? Yep, right here, brother. Right here. Live course every day. I got my balls. And no commissions on NAS and US30 on the funded trader? Wow, I did not know that.
If you guys had to pay for the stream, I bet you would treat it like a course. Or feel like it was a course.
Yeah, I love the guys like, hey, when are you going to be giving away your free training? It's like, dude, every single morning on Monday through Friday, we give away free training.
Right?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Like, you gotta disassociate, like, the entertainment side of YouTube and then this.
Yeah. Yup. NAS 130, yeah, yup. Oh, I like that. I like that. Nicholas said, an era of abundance is coming. I receive that, my friend. Thank you. I receive it.
New era.
And you're right. You're right. The proof is, God's proof is right here, right? It's live right now, gang. The evidence of the Lord is just in HD in my life. And I hope it is in your life as well. Can we please take a look at AUD USD? Okay. Okay. AUD USD. Do I have it here? AUD NZD. AUD NZD. Oh, we don't have it here. Alright, alright. I guess I'll go look for it.
It should look like gold.
AUD USD. Let's take a look. Oh, look, I used to trade this pair. I have it flagged, you see? Do we have any drawings on here? Oh, look at this. Hey, gang, look. Look at this. This is when I used to trade key levels. Look at that. Would you look at it? Hey, see? I told you guys. I wasn't lying. I traded pretty much everything. Every way. Look at that. Look at key level. What does that say right there? Oh, yeah, we can't. Some of you guys can't see that.
Levels.
But it says key level 7,000. Right there. Yep. Hold. Hey guys, I'm gonna turn this really bright real quick. So guard your eyes. Holy, yeah, look at that key level. This is the chart. Mid level. See the mid level I used to use? Look at all this. Look at all of it. This was the chart I used to use for trading. Wow.
Blue and red candles.
About to go blind.
Flashbang.
Flashbang.
That's what that is, bro.
Eyes shield activated. Alright, well, let's finally get rid of these key levels here after, I don't know, I haven't looked at this pair, man, in maybe 2 years. Maybe 3.
Probably like 3 years. Bro.
3 years, probably, yeah. Let me see here. So, yeah, so what are we looking at? What do you want to know about this pair? So, weekly's bearish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is looking pretty bearish as well. Let's see where we could find ranges here. 4 hour has no top wick. Be very careful with that drop. You got a support. You got a resistance. And let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is a bit choppy in this range. Yeah, I'll just wait. Just wait on it. Yeah, buys above there and probably sells below here or something. So, yeah. Back to gold.
I never traded AUD USD. Like,
Yep.
it seems like a good pair, honestly, like for a Forex pair.
Yeah. Hey, 1 hour celery play? I mean, 30-minute celery play here?
Salary.
Or, no, 30-minute onion. 30-minute onion, possibly. How long does the 2 months extra signals go for? Man, I don't know. Maybe for the weekend? I don't know. Yeah, right now, if you purchase any package of signals, you get 2 months free. So, and if you purchase a year, you get lifetime access. We talking lifetime.
We're talking about your whole life.
Your whole entire life.
Yo, Sam, did you ever
Yo.
trade GBP AUD?
Like maybe like, no, not really. I don't know. Like the last time I looked at that, I feel like it was super choppy and like throw a bunch of wicks and range. But like that was a long time ago though, so like I don't know. My price action is, let me look at it right now. GBP AUD. You like GBP AUD?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just starting to look at it a little bit.
I used to trade in USD JPY. 'Cause I like the yen and the dollar.
Yeah.
And then it just does the opposite of gold.
Okay. Alrighty. Rejected the 4 hour lows, yep. Looking good. Yeah, this is looking really good. Yeah, I want to see a 30-minute onion play. So what the onion play is if we create a support right here, then the next candle, right? Let's say we create a support. Then the next candle should be able to fly here. Because we have a lot of volume coming in at 9:30. And that's the stock exchange open here. So if we get this support, what we'll do is we'll take our entry on the break of the highs. We'll look to tap into this level here and to fill this wick. And that'll be the move. And then anything above that would just be for the runners. Runners run. Maybe we get some really good runners today.
Take a screenshot of that.
Yeah, screenshot it. But we got to make sure this candle closes. We got to really see how this candle closes. Because now we created a top
on the
wick.
runners at 9:30.
Yeah.
MT5, that bearish candle is a little looks a little crazier.
I don't understand why you didn't enter on the 4 hour flip. Well, I just said it. My plan is to take advantage of this 4 hour move here, right? If it is going to go bullish. But I don't want to enter just yet because I need to see this 30-minute closure. Once this closes in 15 minutes, then we'll have a really good read on where price wants to go and where this 4 hour candle wants to go. Right?
We're waiting for the volume at NYSE 9:30.
Nick, look at your MT5. How would you treat that if the body it looked like it kind of gapped a little bit?
And most,
yeah,
I was just gonna say, most importantly, we're waiting for our setup too. You know,
Wait, why
the
is
4 hours
yours?
of slipping isn't just a part of our playbook.
Yeah,
Yours
yeah.
looks different.
The flip isn't our best option right now. You know, we want these two 15-minute candles to kind of pick a direction, right? Right now we're pretty bearish.
Yeah.
So we understand that the higher time frames are bullish, but we have to see that on the lower time frame. We have to see an opportunity for us to take buys here. So I see the wick fill. That's 100%. I see it, but I got to see some confirmation here on these lower time frames.
Yeah, like a support or an onion.
And we also need a stop loss. Right now our stops are not too bad, about 40 pips, but we can get a better stop loss as well.
My MT5 looks different than yours.
Well, we got different brokers. Ugh. That
Wait,
one
your
on,
master account is the MFF?
Yeah, yep.
Ah, that's why, okay.
Who was your mentor? In life or in trading? In trading, my mentor was Don Vo and Raja Banks. Yeah, they were the guys who really set me up for success. I'm Nick's mentor. Send me 1 Bitcoin, I'll teach you everything. It's not a bad stop. Nope, not a bad stop. Here we go. What does breaking the previous daily highs usually mean for price action? Heard you mention it before, but no explanation. Yeah, so with us breaking the previous daily highs here, well, that tells us that, hey, you know, this may be the low now, and we may come up, create this new high, and start to push up. But the thing is, we really need to see the daily candle close above this range here. This is going to be a, see how we have so much rejection above that resistance? We really want to see the candle close. But if we're breaking the highs, then there's a high chance that we may start to now push up. You know, we may start to push up. Anytime, what happens on a 30-minute time frame, right? When a candle breaks the previous candle high, usually it wants to create that support to continue moving up now. So that may be what we're looking at here. And it also starts to make it okay to look for buy positions as the previous daily candle highs have broken. So that means the higher time frames now, aka the daily and the 4 hour and the 1 hour are very bullish. Right, they're very bullish. So we need to see something make sense on the 30-minute, and what that would be a support formed. If there's no support formed, then there's no confirmation that we really move up here. So we need to see that happen, or I need to see that happen. You guys, man, y'all can do anything you want, right? I'm expecting the 4 hour highs to break and for this support to probably close above here, and then that's when I'll take my positions. But if you guys want to get a head start, put your big orders in and start pumping gold up for me, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, get the liquidity up.
Did you get into Raja's SRC? Yeah. Yep, I watched everything. Everything that Don and Raja put out, I've watched. I'm obsessed, man. It's an obsession.
Nightbot, you're not that guy.
Don't do it. Your broker? I use Traders Global, and I use what's the other broker?
ACAP?
ACAP. ACAP. And I just found out that ACAP does not have any commissions on US30 and the NASDAQ, so that's pretty good news.
Ooh, I did not know that.
Trading news today. He knows he shouldn't be doing that. Why do you think he's showing people? I think he's just having fun. Yeah, you can't blame him. He's just having some fun. He's on another level, man. Nick, are you trading funded? Yeah. I have a 100K live account here with my Forex funds, and then I have 400,000 with the funded trader. All right, perfect. Yeah, I want to see this 30-minute candle close above here.
Yeah, Raj is just having fun when he does that. That 8K he made today, that doesn't even cover his car payments.
What legendary trader do you suggest for psychology? For psychology, I would recommend reading the Book of Proverbs, to be honest with you. That's where you're going to get your most self-control from. So read the Book of Proverbs. It'll help you in your trading as well. You're not that guy.
Notice how I said to screenshot that. Just look at it.
Which copy trader do I use? I use the social trader, right? That's the name of it. Yeah, the social trader. All right, we got 9 minutes here.
Oh, 9 minutes.
I can see you know your stuff, Nick. I can't wait to learn from you. Let's go. Can you give me 1 sec? I'll be right back. Be right back. How you saw this move happen before it even happened amazes me each and every time. Yeah, it's experience, man. I've been trading for 3 years. Since 2019. So y'all do the math. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Good in. Oh, chat, we were waiting all morning for the best trade. Shout out to y'all who's been patient and disciplined so far in the session. Waiting for your best trade to play out for you.
Shout out to everyone who's been here all week too and has been disciplined all week.
Scary facts.
It ain't easy. Well, it gets to a point where it is.
Yeah, simple, but not easy.
Yeah.
Ron, your voice is awesome. Wow, thank you. Appreciate that.
Sam, check your Discord for me real quick.
That's Sal, man. Got you.
Oh, nice.
Good, Sam, man.
Nice, nice. Our motivational speaker, Johnny Boy. Let's see here. I can't purchase signals using Stripe. Any other method like PayPal? Yeah, you could just message me on Discord, and I have PayPal as well. I'm happy I came across you guys. We trade exactly the same. Hey, what up, Connor? What up, Connor? Welcome, welcome, man. Welcome. Hey, who hasn't subbed to the channel yet? Hit us in the comments section. Say, I haven't subbed yet. And then go subscribe to the channel. And win your opportunity to get yourself a free $100,000 live challenge account. Who's it going to be? Who's the winner going to be? John Daddy?
Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. Micah.
Micah, let's go with that. That's just dub.
Hey, shout out to Micah. Micah was on our Monday night call this week. Shout out to Micah in the building. Yeah.
Shout out Micah. See him being consistent.
I already subbed the first time I saw your live stream. Oh, nice. Thank you. We're all part of a big patience tribe. Yep. Bro, check Discord. All right, let me check. Let's lock it in here too, chat. We may get to have some buy positions coming up. So just get ready, get prepared, lock it in. We may have some positions coming up here in about 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, I want to see this this candle close up here, and probably want to see it close above, right above resistance here. A lot of fake outs here. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, gang. Because if we do get that closure above, then we should be good. Should be good to drive up here at 9:30. If not, then price may have other ideas, and we're gonna have to wait for confirmation for those other ideas. But right now, this is the idea. The idea is, can we get this 30-minute to close above? If it does close above, we have a clean range to the left here to take advantage of. A wick fill on the 4-hour time frame, which is 77 pips away, and that'll be a perfect breakout / onion on the 30-minute time frame at NYSE Open. Yep, 15-minute onion as well. So just wait on it. Let me get this ready here. 1929 is looking good. Looking real good. Let's see if we can close above here. Big candle here. Not expecting a steep bottom wick either if we close above. So it may be a small bottom wick and then price to start blasting off. Too good to not believe. Well, it's starting to play out. Now we need that closure.
We need the setup, and then we need the entry.
Setup and then the entry, gang.
And then we're gonna take whatever the market is willing to give us. We're not gonna tell the market what we want. We're just gonna take what it offers.
Most likely going to be using current candle stops in this situation. Let's see, stops were what, 40 pips? Yeah, they're a bit big. They're like 57 pips here. So yeah, we're going to be using current candle stops. So wherever that current candle is, that's going to be my stop loss. Gotta close above though.
Need to.
We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes here, chat. Just wait on it. No top wick. Yeah, that'd be pretty funny. And no top wick. No top wick, and then price just drives.
See gold, what you gonna do? Telling me. Just telling me right now.
Yeah, your candle's below. Well, we gotta wait for the candle to close here. We got 40 seconds. 40 seconds here. We're ducking back down. Gotta close above.
Creeping.
Chat price is quick and it knows we're waiting on it. Just wait on it.
Thinking about our offer.
It's thinking about it. It's like, should I give him this offer or what? Ooh, gang. Gang, we closed right at it there. Unless we get a nice bottom wick here, I'm not going to touch this. Yep. Well, now we have a new entry point. So the break of the highs, right? The candle did close above this resistance right here. But there is some more resistance to the left, and we need a bottom wick. Right? If this thing drives, it drives. It's not my pips at that point. But if we make this high, come down and make a steeper bottom wick, and then re-break it, then I will get in. But as of right now, I'm not touching this position. But you guys are more than welcome to do whatever you need to do. I'm just a YouTube guy, man. Yep. GJ ripping down. Let's take a look. GJ's right at this level here. You're my financial advisor. Yeah, unfortunately the candle never really gave us a bottom wick, so there's really nothing we could do about that. Right? Maybe we could make an argument for it barely closed above, but at the same time we still need a bottom wick, right? Still need that bottom wick. Gold wick fill is in place, yes. Yeah, if you're trading off of just the 1 hour or the 4 hour, you should be good to go. And you should have a lot of volume dumping in here now. Stick to the playbook.
And
yep.
Yep.
This is how you exercise your discipline muscle as well.
Yep. And if your emotions are telling you, like you want to get in this certain situation to go against your plan, just remember this. Would you rather be in a trade wishing you were out of it? Or would you rather not be in a trade wishing you were in it, right? Think about that before you think about going against your plan.
Yep.
Oh, it's gone now.
It's gone. So congrats. This was some people's move, right? Some people are just going to enter off the 4 hour, which is amazing. That's your move, but for me, I wanted to see that 30 close above, or at least get a bottom wick on the new 30. But nothing.
Had no bottom wick either.
Yeah. I entered. Oh, there you go. No trade day. Oh, this is. Oh, nice. Juice. Yeah, it's a nice juicer here. Nice juicer. Anthony Fernandez entering with no bottom wick though, huh, bud? Bud. Yeah, now you have the volume here, right? Volume coming in hot. Yeah, I would have been okay with taking the position if we maybe got a bottom wick, but no bottom wick, no entry.
A little steeper of a bottom wick.
No entry. Yeah, we needed that for our stop loss.
Yeah, I like whenever it comes back and taps the resistance. Like even if you have it drawn right at the body, like if you have it moved down a little, like it didn't really do.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, you could have made an argue for that, but you still didn't get a bottom wick really.
That's what I mean. Like it didn't even hit the level. It just took off.
Yeah.
So even if we did close above and that was the bottom wick it gave us, we wouldn't have been in it. Like we would have needed to see it like a little steep.
I got a little bottom wick. Don't say that too loud, bro. Made 35 pips. Nice. Congrats.
Yeah, W if you got that.
Some brokers show a bottom wick. Yeah, let's see what mine looked like on Traders Global here. Yeah, I got 0 bottom wick. I was all ready for this, but no bottom wick. I can't disrespect my plan, right? I can't disrespect the plan that feeds me and my family.
See like half a pip of the bottom wick.
I can't disrespect the plan that gives us an 87% win rate, Can't do it. But yeah, I really got 0 bottom wick there.
Hey, scratch this idea. We're on to the next, right?
Scratched. So go like this. If you didn't take this position because it didn't line up, scratch it out and wait for the next play. Wait for the next one. It's like going surfing. Just wait for the next wave.
Yep.
I'd rather miss the pips than lose the pips. Yeah, same here.
Yep, not our pips.
Would you consider entering gold on the next 1 hour? Yup, that's our next step here. So let's wait and see how this 1 hour candle closes, because you never know, we may be able to get the same exact entry. So some of you guys are punching air right now. You're rolling around on the floor like you're on fire because you're thinking you're missing something. But you're not missing anything, gang. You're not missing anything, right? We may get another position here. So let's wait on this 1 hour and or maybe even the 15 minute, and then we'll look. Then we'll look for our opportunities. Just max zoom and you can see the bottom wick. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Let's find it here. Let's go in and find it, gang. And guess what? If so someone asked, why do you wait for a bottom wick? Because 85 to 90% of candles all have top and bottom wicks. You see these candles, right? So if a candle doesn't have one, if there's an 85%, let's call it 85, right? If there's an 85% chance that all candles have top and bottom wicks, then that means there's an 85% chance that at any moment this candle can turn around and create that bottom wick. And that you don't know where that could be, right? You don't know if that could happen once you enter with your stops below. You don't know if that's going to happen here, here, or here, right? But at some point, there's an 85% chance that this candle could turn around to create that bottom wick down here. So that's why I never enter positions with no bottom wick. I don't care if it drops, right? I don't care. Like, this candle can go fill the wick. It wouldn't bother me. It wouldn't bother me at all. It wouldn't bother me at all. So that's the thing. You have to be very firm in your negotiation, very firm in your system. Where this candle, man, it can go all the way up here, all the way out of the charts up there, and I could care less because that's not my move, not my pips. Nice, yeah, awesome.
Our plan is here to protect us, chap. Can't deviate from it.
Yep. Yeah, for me, I wouldn't be happy with these pips, right? I would have made what, 3,500 bucks. I wouldn't have been too happy with that because I knew that money came from breaking my plan, and if I break my plan once, I'll break it again. Therefore, I never break it.
Yep.
Never.
Yeah, any day of the week, I'd rather take a good loss over a bad win. Any day. Any day of the week. Without a doubt.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah. So let's see how the hour closes now, and we'll take a look, right? If we close above the level again on the 1 hour time frame, then we should be good. As long as we get a new bottom wick, right? Nothing changes. We need a bottom wick on that next 1 hour candle, and then we could look to take some positions here. But yeah, 1 hour looks clean. 1 hour and 4 hour both look very nice. You still have an opportunity to enter gold? Yeah, in the next 1 hour candle. Yep, maybe the 15, but probably not. Let's take a look at pound yen. Nothing really with GJ yet. Still just chopping around here. Looks like we closed below this support, but very little bottom wick on that candle, right? So GJ is not too bad. Yeah, GJ's not bad here. Not a bad position. I was a little late on it. We could just have a trade if we get more patience. GJ heading down? I think so. Yeah, I think we could push down there. What's an onion? It's just a play off of support. It's just taking a position, waiting for support to form, and then taking the trade. Oh yeah, let's take a look at US30 as well here. See what's going down. Oh, look at that. Right at support. Right at support with no bottom wick. Ay, ay, ay. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Let this 1 hour candle close, and you may have a 1 hour wick fill here. Yeah, I think that looks clean. Let this 1 hour candle close, make sure it closes below, and then if it does, we'll sample size a sell here on US30. Yeah, you should see a lot of volume coming in. So did you learn from Don Vo? Yes. Yep. Yep. Hit the like button. Hey, hit the like button here. 2,016 people. What up? Shout out to you guys. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ too. Yeah, you see that? Just nothing, right? That's why it's so important to wait for candle closures. Because you're in buys and you're in sells and prices going all over the place. There's clean traffic. You just got to wait for closures outside of the range to take advantage of it. That's all. What is sample sizing? Oh, it's just watching. So just watching a certain pair. We've been watching this pair for over a year. And just, you know, making sure it trades in our, you know, it trades well with our system, and it does. So it really does after like the NYSE Open. It starts to really trade well. So yeah, that's what samples. It's kind of like back testing, only live testing. Yep.
Nightbot going off on people.
You have to answer the mentor question 15-20 times a stream. Yeah. Why won't you enter a trade when the candle has no bottom wick? I just explained that. Because 85% of chance, 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if this one doesn't have a bottom wick, then there's an 85% chance at some point it may come down to make that bottom wick. So I don't want to be in that position because yeah, this time it went up to here, right? But maybe next time you enter here and it only goes to here, and then it comes back down, stops you out, right? So more times out of not, then this is going to turn around on you. So that's the reason why I always wait for a bottom wick. You may have made it this time, but do this over 100 trades and you're probably going to be like maybe 50-50 at best. Just wait on it. I was following you since March. Wow. You were calling trades from 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. and now you don't call them trades below 9:30, but you're still the best. Hey, you gotta wait for a setup, right? Gotta be disciplined. Some of you guys ain't gonna like this because you don't like discipline, but this disciplined traders are winning traders. What do we used to say on Don stream? Don't cry. Don't cry. I've been waiting on it for 2 hours. Wait on it some more. I'm understanding more of the system daily. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's real good. Yeah, gang, listen, we had anticipated this move, right? We understood why this move would work. It's not like just because it didn't happen, it's not going to work. It's just, it's not going to work for me. Right? It's not going to work for me. Push it. You are so disciplined, yeah, that you miss trades. I didn't miss a trade.
There was no trade.
I didn't miss a trade. You might have missed a trade. Yeah, you made me better already. Oh, I've been following you for 2 weeks. Discipline is key. I've already improved. Nice. Awesome. All right, let's see how the 1 hour candle closes. We got the 15-minute closure here now. Very small top wick. Yeah, we just gotta wait. Yeah, one thing you guys will learn about me real quick is we are very picky, but that's why we have a very high win rate here. Very, very high win rate. Almost 88% win rate on the year. So.
TD Realm, I'm not sad, bro. I'm just chilling.
I promise.
That sounds sad, bro.
Hey, guess what today? Guess what, gang? You got to exercise that discipline muscle today. So there was opportunities for you to exercise discipline. Right? I've already made enough money this month to pay for my life expenses for the next 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. So I'm in no rush to take a trade. Certainly not going to break my rules for it, right? Thanks to you and Don on more calm trading. Yeah, awesome. Yep.
Sam traded news.
No, I didn't.
Sam traded news.
No, I did not.
That move was not in the playbook. There you go. There you go. What helped you lock in your psychology the most? The playbook, right? If I didn't have the playbook, I would be having FOMO right now. So how do I not have FOMO? Well, I have a playbook, and I understand in my playbook I need a bottom wick, and if this candle didn't give me a bottom wick, then this isn't my trade. I could say, hey, kudos to me because I knew the direction for sure, right? We knew where the move would go. It's just, did we get our playbook and setup and our playbook entry? And the question is, I mean, the answer to those are no. So therefore, if that answer is a no, then there's no move for me. And if there's no move for me, then there's no FOMO here because this is not my pips, right? So that's psychology comes down to, are you planned to trade, right? Do you have a playbook? Do you have a setup? Do you have an entry type, right? Are you fluent in the markets, right? So if your playbook doesn't show up, it's just not your pips, right? It's other people's pips. Absolutely. Like, it may be somebody else, a different system, a different strategy, right? Somebody could be looking at this consolidation. They just say, hey, every time it consolidates, I look to take, once I get a certain breakout, I'm in, right? And they just hold it. So it's their pips, but it's not my pips. But it doesn't mean it wasn't a good trade, right? It doesn't mean if you capitalized on this, you were wrong or stupid or not being disciplined, right? No, you were following your plan, your system, and it got you a beautiful win. But for me, it just didn't line up totally with what I was looking for. So therefore, I stay out because I know the dangers of breaking your plan. I've already been down that rabbit hole. Why aren't we taking the 15? What we? Which we are you talking about? Are you from France? We? What is FOMO? Facts. What is FOMO? Uh-oh. I need about 170 in the end of this month. Uh-oh. Yeah, you just need to show up every day and stay disciplined to your strategy and your playbook. Look, don't set any goals, right? You don't need 170, right? You need to just show up day in and day out and just stay consistent with your program, right? Consistent with your system and the playbook that is making you money, right? That's all you gotta do. And I'm sure the 170 will come. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, trading is all about rules. It's all about sticking to your rules. I think maybe you guys just don't have as much experience in the game yet, or you haven't failed enough yet, or you haven't been burned enough, or just haven't really studied the mentality of multi-millionaire day traders. But once you do, you'll understand it. I have 14 more days and need 6.5%. Hey, plenty of time, plenty of time. Plenty of time. Can we use the same strategies on other pairs? Yeah, you can. Yep. Just make sure you study the pair, right? Make sure you know where the volume is, when it comes in, how it likes to move, all that good stuff. So yeah, nothing there on US30 here. No closure, belowsure. 30-minute close and no bottom wick. Pop back up. Looks like the 1 hour is not going to close below the range either here. So US30, back in the range it goes. Back in the range it goes. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ too. NASDAQ trying to make a move. Same strategy as Don. Yeah. So I learned from Don for like two years before I started my own stream. The only thing is I stick with what I learned from him, which was the 30-minute, 1 hour, 15, 4 hour. I don't really go down to the 5-minute. I just stick to, you know, these 30-minute, 1 hour time frames. Most of our positions, the bulk of our positions are taken off the 30-minute. So as you can see, like a lot of 30-minute time frame positions here. Some 15, some 1 hour, but that's typically all you're gonna see is 30-minute, 1 hour, 15. Sometimes we'll take it off the 4. Like today might have been a decent idea to take it off the 4 hour, but especially with all the leftover volume from NFP. But yeah, we didn't do that today. Let's see here. Yeah, look at all this 30-minute, 30-minute. Look at all these 30-minute trades here. So a lot of 30-minute, 1 hour, some 15, but yeah. I promise you, gang, look at the signals channel. I was all ready to call this signal right here, but gang, everything's got to line up, right? Everything's got to line up. But yeah, a lot of 30-minute. I'd say our bread and butter is 30-minute time frame here. Yeah, 30-minute. We took a few 5-minute trades though. Where are they? Right here. This was for like FOMC one day. We got 2 5-minute trades, I believe, since like February. So yeah. Yep. So pretty much the same exact strategy outside of those lower time frames. It's coming. What if the hour closed above? Yeah, if the hour closed above, you got more clean traffic here. Moving on up. Gold could do some wild things here today. Trust me. Trust me. You only had 3 losses. That's crazy. What? Yeah, that was April. I think April we had 2 losses. Yeah, we've been stacking a lot of wins. Yeah. How did the NFP news come out?
Came out like 20K less, so it was good for gold, bad for USR.
Gotcha.
Not as many jobs created.
Oh yeah, wow.
That's what I was saying earlier. Like, if you took a win on news, you got lucky, in my opinion. Just because it's like, if you look at the previous data, for the last 6 months, we've been creating more jobs. So
yeah,
what are the chances that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I was saying about the news earlier.
Yeah, 100,000 less there.
Yeah, so it's like, there's nothing, you know, we don't really have any indicators in the economy saying that, you know, that was just randomly gonna happen, where we just had less jobs created. Look at the last 6 months of data. That's what I was talking about when I say you look at, like, looking left at the price action. Like, when you're looking at the news, that's just how you look at the news.
Yeah. Wow, that's interesting. Interesting.
Yeah.
Price
It's interesting that ADP NFP came out as good yesterday, and then like the actual NFP was off. Well, yesterday is the automatic data one, so it was off. Like yesterday said that we had 250,000 jobs that were created, was what the estimate was. But then it came out today and it was way less. It was 300,000 less than what they were expecting.
Yeah.
That's why you seen gold shoot up.
Yep. So we came up to this resistance level here. Looks like we're starting to reject at this point. So we'll see what happens here. We got 5 minutes left. Definitely not taking. Ooh, what do we got here? Amber alert. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left. Whether this 15-minute wants to flip or not, I'm not touching this thing. 5 minutes left in the candle. Let it rock. I think the 5 closed. Yeah, it closed bearish anyway. So. Patience plus price action equals big money. Yep. Can you explain 1937? 1937. Oh, up here? That I think was why do we have that up there? I don't even remember. Yeah, I'm not too.
Yo,
Oh yeah, that
green
was that.
facts.
That was that resistance up there. that's why Green ain't moving to Florida. He said, "Yup, Florida people are crazy." Yeah, I'm locked in on this 1 hour candle now. So if we can get a pullback, that'd be amazing. Crazy people come from the Bronx and all over Florida. This guy. What's the next move? Wait another half hour? Nah, we got 4 minutes until this 1 hour candle close, so we'll see what happens here.
People really that crazy though? Or it's like most people you run into, it's just like they're chill.
Florida man. You hear in the news, Florida man has done this.
Yeah, that's what I mean, but like that's the news.
Yeah. Yo, let's sit here on this 1 hour candle here, and let's see where she closes. Let's see the range we got here. Oh wow, 1 hour candle pushing down. Let's see what happened with US30 with that bullish push up. Yeah, you see that? Back in the range we go on the Dow here. NASDAQ looking good though, gang. If we get a closure above here, buys are looking pretty good. Get a little pullback, let buys, take your buys coming up to fill the wick here. South Florida, here we come. %4 on challenge, 14 days left. What do you think, bro? I think you got plenty of time, Lone Wolf. Plenty of time, man. Plenty of time. That's Charlemagne's line.
He's funny.
What would be stops on the NASDAQ? No, I won't take the NASDAQ trade on stream. I'm just sample sizing that pair right now, collecting data on it and seeing if I want to trade it, you know, long term here. But you would basically have to use current candle stops. So wherever the current 1 hour bottom wick is, that's pretty much your stop, but this candle's gotta leave a top wick there for you. We'll swing back around the NASDAQ here in a few. Come on, gold, pull back for us here. Pull back.
I'm back.
Let me do something right here. We got 1 minute, 12 seconds here. So I need a bottom wick. We also got some news on the CAD coming in. It might push us down. And then when we reflip bullish, might be able to get an opportunity here. All right, cool. So you see that right there? That's a high. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick down, push down a little bit, and then that'll be our entry. I think we got news here on the CAD, right? Yeah, Canadian news.
Orange shoulder.
Came out very similar to what it would normally be. So let's see if we can get a bit of a bottom wick here, and then we'll have buy stops here. All right, so yeah, I'm at buy stops. Buy stops on the break of the highs using current candle stops, wherever that stop is. We break that high, we should be good to fill the wick. Just make sure your buy stops are a little bit above, account for spread here, right? Buy stops, break of the highs here. So stops are going to be below this candle, and we're going to look to target this wick fill, and then, you know, runners can do whatever they need to do. But yeah, this is pretty much what the position's looking like here. So about 23 pip stops. Entry on the break of the highs here, a little bit above the break of the highs. Account for your spread, don't forget. And that'll be the trade. So we'll see if we get activated here. But pretty nice bottom wick right now. That's what I'm looking for. Somewhere tapping back into this range here. You see this range to the left? Right in here. So we got it. Now if we break the high, we should be able to fill that wick. Oh yeah. Should we bring Brucey out? Sam's got to message me because his message is so far down now. Can you message me, Sam?
Yeah.
Can't even go looking for that thing now, man. Alright, gang. Well, if we break the highs here, our buy stops are in place. And hold your ears. After 12 minutes. Some of you guys are wondering now, oh my god, what should I do here? Full risk, I'm just going 10 lots. 10 lots. All right, so it looks like I've been activated here, gang. So got into some buys. The stops are going to be below the current candle here. TPs are going to be up here, and that's the position right there.
Hey.
So we'll see what happens.
So we did our job.
Job is
Do not
done.
worry about the outcome. Do not worry about the outcome or result of this trade. Just know that you followed your plan today and did your job. That's all that matters.
Yes, sir. So break-even point is probably going to be somewhere in this range up here. Yeah, once we get a move up in this area up here, we will look to move stops to break even and close some partials. Dun, 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 dun. Anyone in? Yeah, we're in.
When the professional trader is executing on his winning method, he doesn't think about the result of the outcome, but he thinks about his risk and he thinks about taking profits, right? So that's what we're doing. We're acting like professionals, and we are professionals. So
yes, sir.
Take a deep breath. Loosen up the shoulders.
Loosen them up,
shoulder
gang.
roll.
Loosen them up. All right, there it is, gang. I'm gonna move stops to break even here. I am going to close some partials right there. Make this a risk-free trade, and that's the W right there. Simple. 20 pips.
W.
Or no, I got I think 15 pips out of that. Yeah, about 17 pips. And now let's see if she can keep running.
Just like that. We just
Just
follow
like
the
that.
plan. We don't get excited.
So closed 90% right there, and just letting the rest run. Yeah, stops at break even. Probably move stops and profit a little bit here. Oh, that should be good. And she should fill the wick now. There you go, W's, gang. See, worth the wait.
Yep.
Worth the wait.
That was so worth the wait. I haven't taken, me personally, as a disciplined trader, haven't taken a trade since 28th of June. So it's been like a week and a half. So that was the sweetest W.
Hey, let's
It
go.
felt so good.
Hey, there's the
Alright.
dubs in the chat.
Just wait on
W gang. Hey, W on
Yeah,
Monday,
W's.
W on Friday. Good. What did I say? Bless coming in, bless going out. W's on the way in, W's on the way out, right? Another one.
Look at this.
Beautiful.
Just wait on it.
As our good old friend DJ Khaled would say,
Another one.
another one. So yeah, we should see price continue on up here now.
Boom.
Let's push it.
There
Hey,
it
you got
is.
smiling at juicer.
There's a juicer for you.
Juicer.
Yeah, I had this white line drawn a little bit lower by mistake.
I should
But-
close some more partials.
Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do on Friday? I'm gonna close another half. There it goes. Close another half right there at 25 pips and whatever, man. Let the rest go. All right, just let the rest go where it
That'll do
wants.
And I'm taking it.
There you go.
Twice.
26 pips. Pushing.
Patience pays.
Yes, sir.
I got 30. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I got about 25 on that one. I closed partials at 17. Closed another at like 25. So let's mark that trade up here.
Yo, boys, just passed my 200K account.
Let's go.
Man.
Big W's
Go,
for Jose.
Go, Jose.
My man.
W's,
That was
Jose.
all natural.
W's.
All natural, Jose, right? You didn't force anything. You just waited for the right opportunity.
Yeah, keep in mind, I waited a week on 7.9% for phase one. 1 week without taking a trade.
Yes,
just
sir.
for that perfect setup. And now it's
That's what I'm saying, Jose. How sweet does that feel, bro?
Victory.
Oh, it feels awesome.
Let that be an
bro.
example for everyone in the chat.
Yep.
Great job, Jose. Congrats, bro.
Congrats, brother.
Couldn't have done it without you guys.
So proud of you, man. Way to go.
Awesome job.
You deserve that.
Thank yourself for being disciplined.
Yeah, man.
Give yourself a pat on the back.
Um,
Everyone who took a W today and waited all morning.
Hey, we got a
Give
dub
yourself a pat
for
on
Maverick's
the back.
birthday here, gang.
Hey,
Let's go.
There we
Friday.
go.
Gold buys.
Dub.
That was a breakout on the. That was the break of the current high. That was off the 1 hour time frame. What did I say, right? Let's just wait for the 1 hour now. Got 17. And then we'll see what happens where this position goes. Dubs in the chat. Waverick, yeah.
This,
Yes, sir. Should I make a W video? Let's make a W video. Hey, chat, spam the chat with W's real quick.
Spam the likes in that too. Get some people in here. so
Let's
you
get
see
some
it.
W spam right now. Let's move these guys. All right, let's go. Spam it up, chat. There it is. Put the juice boxes in the chat today on this lovely Friday. Oh, pushing. Spam it up, chat. Spam it as fast as you. Oh, oh man. Let's go. Big
another
dubs.
dub, yeah. Another dub, yeah.
Hey gang, W patience, right? All we did was follow our setup. We didn't cry, we didn't pout, right? When we missed the move, right? We just sat tight, waited for that setup. Beautiful, thank you guys, thank you guys. Yeah, you can now sit down like we used to say when you speak on stage, you'd be like, all right, you guys can sit down now, stop clapping. All right, great job everyone. Nick Trade, great job, bro. Daniel, good job. Z Gamer, good job. Just Ozzy, good job. Shiro in the building, yeah, good job everyone. And if you took both those trades, man, gang. Double victory there. Double victory. Let's see what this thing's doing.
Nick, breakout, break current high, correct? That's what you marked it up as?
Correct the mundo, yep. Break of current high, 1 hour breakout, full risk. I close whatever you. I close at 17 partials. The W's are still running. W.
Crazy.
Good job. Good job, gang. Now it's on to the next. Right? Let's see how this one plays out, and then we just move on to the next trade. Very, very simple.
That was taken at
Very simple.
10:04.
Who else passed their funding challenges outside of Jose? I know a bunch of you guys did. Yeah, look at that. Phase 1 done. Thank you, Nick. Awesome, man. Awesome. Jose texted me. He said he had a 95% win rate on phase 1. That's what happens when you stick to the plan.
Yes,
oh, look,
sir.
another phase 1 done. Nice. Hold on, I gotta slow this thing down here. Oh, just won my first time here. Hey, nice, nice. Are you going to
happen when you follow the plan?
Are you gonna take another trade? Glory to the Father.
You're chilling. We are on to the next deck.
Time to eat community all winning all day, baby. Man, I struggled for 4 months ago until I found you. 4 months ago, went from 730 in my account to 2589. Just pure discipline and following the rules. Amazing job, man. Would you consider taking another trade if we print above the resistance? Probably not. Probably not. But it doesn't mean that it's not good, right? Oh, look at this. Officially funded. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, maybe if we close above 30-minute celery, I think I'll just let my runner go here today. I don't have much left in that position, but shout out to you, bro. Hey, thanks, Khaled. Shout out to Khaled. Hey, Khaled. Shout out to Khaled. Another one. Another one. We ordered the whole ocean.
Yo,
Tell him to bring out the ocean.
Tell him bring out the ocean.
Yo, you kind of sound like this.
Yo, we need.
Bring out the ocean.
Yo, nah, we need that sound bar. We need that one, Sam.
Yo,
Yo, I got you right.
that's hilarious.
Tell him bring out the ocean.
Tell him bring out the ocean. Show your total P&L. Let's show you guys. Let's show you guys the total P&L. So.
Say I'm happy now. Yo, I'm just laughing because we're talking about Khaled, bro.
This account.
You guys think that I was sad earlier, and I take a dub, and then
Hold on. This account was has been running since the 12th.
You want Sam to do backflips for 2 hours?
Yeah, sheesh. You do backflips for 3 hours.
My man's been up all night. What do you want him to do?
Alright, my dude's been chilling.
Nah, I'm on that. That was slight.
How did you know? Oh, how did we know? I guess we'll never know. Thank you so much. Hey, I got you, Leo. Oh, more people passing. Good work. Passed my phase 1. Oh, nice job. Nice job. My birthday's today too. Please shout me out. Hey. Oh my God. Alahwat. Alahwat Trader. Great job, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thanks a lot, Nick. You're welcome, Victor. Good work, everyone. Yeah, that's the trade. That's the trade.
Trade.
Yep, that's it. Take another half right there. Screw it. It's Friday. Thank you for sharing what can happen. Yeah, man. Anything can be done, gang. I'm just a regular dude. How's the the 400K account going? It's going good. Let's check on that right now. Should be going pretty good. Yeah, it's going nice. I'm up about 7,000 on that account. So let me see. Let's see if you guys can see. I don't have that one. I have that one hooked up on a copy trader. So, but if you guys can see, I took 2 trades on that account. Up about 7,000 beans. So up about a little bit less than 2%. In 2 trades. Gang, we're ripping here. We are ripping.
Yes, sir.
Ripping, ripping, ripping. Screw it. We'll take some more. All right. So let's I took pretty much all of my stuff, all of my profits right there. I still got a little runner, but we're gonna mark this trade up here. We're about 35 pips, right? So 35 pips for pretty much the full position. And that's it. W. Boom. Hey. W. Good work, gang. Good work.
Other day, found the plan.
Oh yeah.
Being patient and disciplined. So,
Nice juicer.
Yeah, signals chat 8-2.
Nice juice box.
Nice juice box.
Got a juicer.
Signals chat, good job. Hey, Joe Stewart's up 4.5%. Let's go, Joe.
Let's go, Joey.
Joe.
go, Joe.
Joe's on it, gang. Keep an eye out on Joe. That boy on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bag 30 pips. Very nice. Awesome job. Is it copying? Yeah, it's copying everything off my 100K account. But I just started that 400K account on Monday. Right? Monday, I think. Thanks, Nick. First time watching. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We love giving back. We're doing a $100,000 challenge account giveaway as well here pretty soon. And yeah, enter for your chance to win. Make sure you're subbed. Anyone could win it. Damn, yo, W still going? Okay. Joe Stewart, let's go. Is the target on your 400K? Oh yeah, 8%. 8%. Yeah, that's a challenge account. So I haven't gotten that live account yet. The only live account I'm trading now is this 100K my Forex funds account. Yeah, pushing about 6.5% since the 12th. Yeah, that should this $3,900 loss right here, man. This was a mistake, big mistake. But it's okay, right? It's not gonna harm me too much, but
Him
yeah.
stressing about it is just gonna hurt him more, right?
Yep.
So,
15K day. Yeah, buddy, I made about yeah. Good job, man.
just another day.
Another day, another opportunity to be a professional. Made 4%. Oh, beautiful. VEA, beautiful.
This thing is still juicing.
Juice.
You might hit second TP. Damn. Damn.
Yeah. I knew this was coming up to. Yeah, I didn't even tell the signals group to close because this resistance was. There's nowhere else for gold. Like, where else is gold going, right? It's straight to that resistance up there. That's the next destination. So yeah, they ate pretty good. 35 pips, I think, full. Please, how can one get a funded account? Just go apply for one. Simple. Go to any one of the companies and buy a challenge, and yeah, do it up. Can I subscribe twice?
Take another account.
Yep, next destination is that resistance here, gang. I think I'm just gonna close my full position, call it a day, celebrate Maverick's birthday here,
Yeah, I'm fully out.
and be done with it.
Juicing.
Done with it. W chat.
Big dose.
Big dubs.
That's what we call a gorgeous trade.
That's
Gorgeous.
what we call over here at Time to Eat a gorgeous juicer. Yeah, that's it. I'm out of this position. Dunzo. Dunzo.
Yo, where's the donation thingy for our show? Did you take it off?
No, it should be there. I think it's on the plus. You have to hit the plus sign or something. Oh, I don't see it. I don't know. Nightbot would know.
Interesting. Hey yo, 8,000.
You?
No, you.
Oh.
Subs.
Oh, 8,000. Hey, 8,000 subs here today?
8,000.
W chat.
Oh,
Hey, we've legit had, today's Friday too, right on the money, right? 1,000 subs a week it's been for the last month. So W chat, 8K subs. We're on our way to 10 and then 20. Oh, nice. Yeah. Thank you, Nick. This community is amazing. Shout out to Micah. Shout out to our boy Micah. Micah, where do you live? Don't give me your address here in front of 1,700 people, but what state do you live in?
Shout out, Mike.
full address.
Shout out Micah.
That out Micah sus.
Micah
Micah.
Sussy in the building. No address. Just give us the state, man. We don't even need the town. Oh, 4.20 trade. Oh, 420. You got to smoke.
20, yeah.
Missouri. Oh, Michael lives in Missouri. Hey, yo. Micah Zaddy. Please explain the difference between range 1 and range 2. Exclamation point. Range 1, I think. Oh, someone else's name is Micah here too. Yeah, if you got a closure above here, gang, on the 30-minute time frame, then this should continue up. Should continue up here. What's happening now, sir? Now, sir, we are going to have a great weekend. We are going to live with this win all weekend long. We're going to live with the feeling that we stayed patient, that we stayed disciplined, and we took a win based off of our playbook. And guess what? You got to really exercise the discipline muscle here today by letting off of this 30-minute candle. This move right here was a test for you today. Were you disciplined or were you not? Were you... Hey, only if you're trading our playbook, right? If that's your position, that's your position. Only if you're sticking to our playbook, right? You had an opportunity to be disciplined today. The rest of you guys, congratulations, man. If that was your play, great. Way to capitalize, right? Way to get it. Way to jump
shout
on
out
it.
Unique. Shout out Unique for passing her 5K challenge. Let's
Oh,
go.
let's go. Good stuff.
Congrats, Unique.
Let's go, Unique. Let's go.
Been very consistent. You deserve the Unique. Let's go.
Nick, sir, where can I donate? Don't worry about the donations, guys. No need to donate. If you can, just share our content, right? If you took that trade today, tag me on Instagram, share some of the content for us. That's all we ask for. We don't need donations. It's very nice of you to do that. I really do appreciate it, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do it. Just like the stream and sub to the channel and share some of our content. That's all we ask. But I appreciate that. Sir, enjoy life in the weekend. Yes, exactly. Happy weekend. You get to go this weekend and know that you took a beautiful trade, man, and just enjoy being a winner this weekend. Yeah, congratulations, Unique. Hey, it's no surprise that Unique is improving her trading, improving her life, passing funding challenges. It's no surprise. No surprise, right? Success leaves clues, and you're doing just an amazing job, Unique, and it's been great. It's been a pleasure to watch you grow and watch you continue to improve in your trading and in life in general. So super proud of you. Super duper proud.
I'm proud of you too.
Yeah, we're proud of you here at the Time to Eat family. Unique is Time to Eat family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When to close, sir? Right there. So thankful for you guys. Hey Nolan, we're thankful for you too, bro. Seriously, I'm thankful for all you guys. It's an honor and a privilege to come here every day and be able to hang out and have a good time while I trade, right? Because trading could be boring sometimes. So to be able to have a community and a community growing the way we are is just awesome, right? It's just a work of the Lord, and we're just on the grow. We're on the grow, gang. What do we have here today? 2100. 2100 here today. I think I've seen a little bit. I think I've seen like 22 something, no? Hey, YouTube be lying.
13K people stopping in here too.
13,000 in and out the door.
Crazy.
Yeah, gang, YouTube be trolling. YouTube be trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Donate to your church. Hey, yeah, gang, if you want to donate, take whatever you're going to donate to this stream today and go out and serve some homeless people today, or tomorrow, or Sunday. I want you to do that this weekend, and then go ahead and read Proverbs chapter 3 and Deuteronomy chapter 28. That's the assignment this weekend, and go, whatever you were going to donate, go give to the homeless. Instead of giving it to me, give it to the homeless people in your community this weekend. Go out and do it. I promise you, you're going to enjoy it. I promise you, the Lord loves a cheerful giver. If you sow bountiful, you will reap bountiful, my friends. Did we take a trade yet? Yep. Have any recommendations for a small account? Yeah, just trade it like you would trade a large account. Same thing, you know, nothing changes. Risk 2 to 3% per trade. And yeah, just see if you can get consistent on that account. And then what I would do is I would recommend going and opening up a funded account. YouTube's slipping on views. Yeah, they're skipping us out. I just made what I made in 4 hours at my 9-to-5 job. Wow. Oh, 4 months. Holy. Sheesh. Never give up. Great job, Austin. So proud of you, bro.
W.
So proud of you, man.
That's awesome.
Man, he cleaned it up, man. When he started coming to the streams, I don't. You've known him a little longer, Sam, but I have seen some just incredible improvements.
It's insane, bro.
Incredible changes, man. And you know, sometimes traders just need that one little tweak in order to just open up the floodgates for them. So
Austin's got that mindset. Thinks properly.
yeah. Thank you so much, Nick. Happy Friday. Bye. Bye. Happy Friday. Is the playbook in the Discord? Just exclamation point playbook. Are you still in the trade? No, I closed my whole trade right here. Closed the full trade right there. Only had a little bit left in there, so. Can't wait for the next Bible study. Yeah, me too. Monday night, gang. God bless. Great weekend to you all. Hey, later, Ricardo. Yeah, playbook, exclamation point, playbook. Any thoughts on GJ? Let's take a look here. Nah, nothing there on GJ. Yeah, not looking pretty. Nick's saving life. Saving souls, baby. Thank you, Nick from Singapore. Hey, yo. Shout out to Singapore. Big Nick giving us the A. Shout out to Benjamin. What up, Benjamin? God bless you all. Hey, God bless you, Leo. Did I see Leo pass the challenge, or did something happen with Leo? I've seen Leo's name in the chat.
Everyone's quaking right now.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Henry. Bro, he just sent me his like 0.7% off passing phase 1, 100K.
There we go. Just like Jose.
And mi español friend.
Hey, just like Jose, just wait for that setup again, and next trade, bro. You're there.
Trade.
Next trade.
And any of you out there who might have come up short like 50 to $100 or a couple $100 of your challenge, don't go chase that to pass the challenge. Wait for that next setup.
Yeah.
Because you'd be surprised trying to chase $50, you'll end up losing 500, and you don't want to be that person.
Nope. You definitely.
All coming naturally.
Yeah, you definitely do not want to be that person. That sucks.
Because then you'll be really punching the air.
Yeah.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Not that guy.
Pascal, great job, man. Passed phase 1 with a 90% win rate on stream. Look at that, man. Just beautiful. That's what you can expect here, gang. Get used to it.
What happens when you follow your plan, chat?
If you're gonna roll with some winners, get used to winning.
Exactly.
Get used to winning. You gave me that little bit that I was missing. Thank you so much, Time TTE. Oh man, awesome. Glad to hear that. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I see you all the time, and I got my eye on you. I see you. You're coming, Jan. I can't pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Janosch. Yeah, I don't know. JANOSCH. Who knows how to pronounce it? Past my phase 1. Nice. Janosch. Shout out to Janosch. Great weekend. See you all Monday. Later, David. Thank you, Nick from, Singapore. Here, I make my monthly job salary in 1 hour. This is what day trading's all about? Whoa. Cool. Awesome stream, boys. Hey, shout out to RedFX.
Thanks.
No more trades. Won't he do it all? Praise God. Yes, he will. Amen.
That sounds right, Scott. The J might sound like a Y.
Oh, yeah. That's very true. See? That's why I surround myself with people who are smarter than me.
Yeah.
Are we getting into a new trade? Nope.
Think juiced.
Oh man, all right, gang. I think that's the day here. Got the little man's birthday here, and probably gonna just hang with the fam for. I got some coaching calls to do, and then it's pretty free after that. So I think that'll be the day. It was an honor. It was a privilege to hang out with you guys this morning.
Yep.
As always.
My favorite part of the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let me just. We filled out our trade, right? We need to do anything else here. We got our trade filled out. We closed all our positions. This thing's probably gonna keep running. Yeah. Your next destination on gold is 1932 here. So you may see 1932, but I'm fully out of that position. And yeah. Let me see here. Any more questions? If we don't have any more questions, then we're gonna get up out of here. You've helped me a lot. Oh, 2.5%. Nice. 33 days left. Good job. Good job. Uncle Scalp still holding full? No way.
No, good boy got out.
He's a smart man. He listened to the market.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to my little bro? Hey, Saeed. What's up, Saeed in the building?
Saeed.
Shout out to Saeed. Saeed? Something like that, yeah.
Saeed.
All right.
I know a kid who named Saeed.
All right, Nightbot said get off the charts and go donate to some homeless people. So that's it. That's our call here. We'll see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be blessed, man. Just go out and do what you got to do. You've won today. Go out and serve some people this weekend. I think it'll do you right. I think it'll build some momentum as you move on into next week. And I think God will really appreciate it, right? Because he said, what you do to the least of these, you do unto me, right? So go out and serve some people today, tomorrow, or Sunday who can do nothing for you in return. And by doing that, you'll be storing up treasures for yourself in heaven, and God will be very proud of you. So love y'all. John, Sam, Uncle Scalp, Jose, everyone in Zoom.
Monday. Have a great
We all
weekend.
want that.
Happy birthday, Maverick.
Love y'all. Happy birthday, Maverick. Happy birthday, Mav. Happy boy birthday. Big boy
Love y'all.
birthday.
Peace.
Yes,
Catch
sir.
y'all.
Goddamn. Turn
Love
it
you,
up.
Johnny.
Love you,
Sam.
Scout.
See you
Love you,
later.
Sam. Love
Big
you,
one.
Nick.
Peace.
Yo,
All right, boys.
Love you,
love you
chat.
guys.
Catch
Yo,
y'all.
love everyone in the chat. Everyone have a God blessed weekend. And see you all Monday.
Yes, sir.
Because it's been a while since I've done it.
Chat, I love you guys, man. Peace out. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Seriously. Many, many blessings to you guys and your family. Enjoy it. And let's come back sharp on Monday and continue to do the damn thing. All right? Later, gang. Love you guys. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.